CKwasi Asempa na fe no so abo. Esi ana chuma video to ane mo achi wuti Adom 106.3 FM. Dwaso Nsem jumadi. On your day brawe. Enter. Ya dia ni betrum. Awo ejoso. Me bacho awoma se bebre e hope na yeko. Na dia na esi wo ho. I'm a catch out, sir. And some would do a CC over the weekend, bro. Facebook says here. Now, Odia Besha, Nadia Midifias here, I almost so bebre, and we're just so in the Ashanti region. Odia, bro, Facebook, and Besha. My goodness. I am Rahosemo. I am Rahosem. Asempa say, Esia, na, they copy Bibia Bedi. Kakrayao. Anti Maria Yeni. Besha said ye nipa egu radius. I asamo. Me can say ana arewasha me krama. Or they join me on Facebook in a show when it's what dear. I want my so bebre a dear in a course so ewo ho. Arewasam be ne see ewo ho. Bekona afei obidishia oforia manfo ewo Insura 104.5 FM sister station ewo Kumasi Yankwe na afei omboya mane obidishia asomdwen kan.
Asempa Council.
Bibi abokwa pay.
Na me adu mini am dey woko pa. Gidi so so here.
Nyameti ase ye krema de party na mo mare ho se me fi mo side e bana amama boto kakra. Awoma so bebre e de na course wo.
Asempa enra ene nya ne tie se life asoki eni pam nine. Amoma to na mo tie do e wo eye awoma so bebre. Enti e bra se mi see e bo na ko pie mo ho. De ko pie mo ho na. Amane ensakan nyina ene se Abranti bi akọ han dan story building abanso etwaso mi ensan bi ewo ho na abranti na akọ han last floor no eno ntino wafafa carpenter ni mebo net ewo ni mpoma na chi ema no eno ntino carpenter ni bae no eno kofre caretaker ofi ho ese omeboa no na se scaffold a wo ho no omuntumi se na omumfa nkosro nkọbọ net ni manipa no eno ntino na abofra ba ko nso anasa branche ba ko wanya mfihye duenu ba ko ai fere junior e wo fie obi ena no adakora ena omko frɛ no ba ese omra me so mu scaffold no ena branche ba ko si mobile money na no so ti fie obi ena no so omo frɛ no ka ho ntino omo ye nipa 9 enti omo abɔ efan wie net no omo abɔ efan wie the carpenter ni na stifre sro omo 9 nyina e push scaffold no akọ the other side na fe no Omakwakobo eye net na aka no. Ezo mu pushi no and scaffold no bent bar back ebumu eba akire se. Na eso no ekoka high tension a ene abanso no ben pe. Ti breka high tension no musu krekre mu wase. Ene chese e shock wo mu nyina. At once wa nipa eye me 9 nyina no. Omo to anana mo wase do ama ebi crash ye. Chese ni eba no ntine ebe don hwe mienu miensa na aposifo eba omo behwe na fe na mu no omo tumedi akọ ntine ni esi ho no.
In fact, I have rehearsed me share pictures and videos ahodo a Facebook sesia abrantia now share trousers na o she and on ne hwan no because we now no ne nine na share ma ekọ on na ye hwan
Asempa ne tie say for now no mean to me identify because you call no na esu ahodo a na ekoso ho no na ano odin eno ntino nipa 9 nyina na yakọ ne asesa wo edo mo ko chese junior no kra de ebra ne ma me te sa no o collapse at once ma omo twinsu ogu ni so saa nsa na ne ho nani eba ne ho so kakra na caretaker no so yere ono so ebra ono so te sa ono so collapse ye nti anwumre be na wotwe no nkron a na me free ho no na yede ne kwa yare sabia no mai eno nti nipa 9 de carpenter ni no na caretaker ye fe ne Ebenezer Sapon na junior na Joe Boy say nipa makomako 9 de omunyina sesi ya omofre
Professor na abrantia na obe high dan ya kofre carpenter ni some be bonnet no ono uhu no
ono no ni hobi nto ofre carpenter ni no e no ka kire ne ba bia dan no carpenter ni kra no wa park ne taxi do video a ye twa ye ni bia be say taxi bi ejira ni mo no wa park ne taxi a nti onipa no high dan e frɛ no say obe hwe ne dan man nto obe obae no e no ko kete ka ne nkyɛn ese asumasi obe high wo dan say mra me bonnet e man no enu ntine brabe boa me se ne be ya metumi atumi abo no so hwe nipa tu e kan me ho nto nipa obe han dan ne de na oni ho
abusu asem ye si be time ben
esi anwume no me ensan ekobo no 9 enu te mu ni da wa kopi me se no nsin ekobo no nson ansa na prosifo eba omo bitumi ombefa amu na free ho enu ntino time we see no anytime a prosifo ne mpanyefo awodo ba ho a on the phone no call no
I have Asempa in fact I deal with you because we share videos na me but Hussein no more TTM around as a be more videos and near dear and you be what do was to from na dear no more carpenter no area ho
carpenter in the area ho
ofi baby na ba
no ha ofi baby na ono ebae
but omo maka ne de fie ba akumu
mu ana omo se na de ba kwa no omo ka ne se mobile money ni ru ana kra de tese obi kra friend se omo me mobile money emfa ma no na wa friend na ezo nipa no onko because so oboa na fi wi ana anka okọ amo nipa no ko obeye mobile money san 2 ka di akire bae nto 2 ka di akire bae na obeye ta wan kwa chese ayina nkane ne yesa emprempe we free mo no na Asempa o hwese ne abanso ne tie ne baabi a high tension wire ne tie a enipa pia anatuma mufo na wo no kra no so blame eye authority a won potem wo say aden mpanyifo hweye e ma yesi sa abanso no e ben high tension ne sa no ko mi jini se nya high tension na nka scaffold ni de nka bebu agu ni baabi anka nipa na wo no nka ohun baabi ankoka na so high tension te ubie window no abanso no bie ni window no a enfama ho mi nyina high tension no cause e ben high tension ne pa enu ntini yetimamufo ho bie kan se empanyifo o maka a chempanyifo empo adan bi wo ho so anu so the same thing o maka a chempanyifo na so empanyifo anya ho hwe a na akofa sa tro nchim ya ba enipa nan o mu nyina free no
okay me be say junior ma meti asem no collapse be ba junior ne bape
owo junior enye junior ne bape eno ntino akwaran kwa yeso mo no mo yes some hangout di ewo ifeed matete wakwa gine ni kakra wa ba wako dem akwakoda eno ntino je ni nyina ka hu bi sabo fra wada na fi yakọ nyam no so mra meboa na fi ne ebeko wiase a wa free mo no na chesa akwa ebibi ho eno ntino na ma meti mi gidi se mi na ma meti ya e man collapse no Obidisi asundwen kan yem fancy ya why yenda waseso aboy amane ebusiafo obidisi for yamanfo a colleague or insure 104.5 FM indeed our hosem sisi now joining at the course so joso in fact awoma so bebre to be precise ho na semi course or bra Facebook na be show when is wade Dwaso Nsem jumedi no asuguso awuti exactly 7 a.m. within the Asempa Adom 106.3 FM. Over the weekend, the course no over Facebook me bobo na videos ahodo ye di go home watch me ashebi who post you comment making kind the amount. Assemble about 2 minutes after 7. Just on some Jimadino Asugusa with you. Adom 106.3 FM. Yabasia Jina Awoma so bebrewa. Avedia cross no. Yawa baba we bia na ni tuem de ekoso nyina ohun ye. Enti yakwa ahoma no so na fe yane Grace Bedu Boatma, yane na ntwetwe nkomo. Auntie Grace, what me nka asomdwe nka?
Enka wonto.
Bibi abokwa no pay.
Erada bibi abokwa.
Auntie Grace, me pacho en fa na oti.
Me pacho mete bebre.
Me pacho say?
Bebre.
Oti bebre.
Pacho ahe.
Okay. Ya do ba dias. Ana me pacho ya nya ntie se nipa nine high tension why I be actually almost scaffold ma mo nyina ewu wani tuam dia na koso
asemo eno a enyumre bo no ekono nsem ho no na ye de party bi kra ofie
Moto party efie.
Yeah.
Okay.
Around baby initiation na. Na abranche ba kwa oka ho kra de on extra wom or 21 years. Na ene na me wo fie.
Na mo ne na ne wo party na se.
Me pa chwan.
Okay.
Ene jaye nyina ye ni. Nti mo no ka se o fie. So ko fie na okodai.
But na bo be saying.
Na ebe nonum nsia mu ho.
Okay.
No ko fie na okodai. Nti efia ono ne timu no. Ena ade ne happen ye.
Efia brand ne timu no.
Me fa chwan.
Okay.
Efia o timu no. Ha. Na efia ro ani de oni ho o wa kwantu mo or outside. Nti de o hwefi ne so no. Ena de me fa chwan say.
Me ba to me tie opa.
Aha, de o hwefi ne so na obi abegi rent. Ena edan no so ya abansoro. Nti omo bonnet ne na high tension nso pay. Ene power ni tua emu ntwe kra from high tension to edan no emu ntwe kra chese benyi. Nti omo abo under a first one not the ti omo move akọ the other one. Nti ade na omo dina aso no dade ti omo asi form a omo pemwa ena omo fra akwala na oka ho ye na me ye over birthday party no wada na omo fra ni se junior bra ne be so ye mu ti omo na so ayi na se a pushi akọ the other side akọ board the net na aka no ena ade ni di ko omo achi sa na eto high tension ni na shock omo na arehusam ne se na boy na 21 years no
yeah junior no
onyanwui
junior no
me pa chawai na ko onyanwui na ne ho o age na ekoba sa no de kapinta ni na nkata no ono de amuno fa ne na to ni musa na ase esi gidi pa ase ya sheda ne atwa ja to ni mu enti ne ho na ka junior de o mu ano ena de other side nso ko ka no ena ma junior ne share o mu finfin nka ye free fire service and police na ko mu plan tema no ye free e phone electrician phone no ena ko mu dum ni tema ka it ni safety ni pa ba ko pra but na we hotel me say ye free no obe free no we na we into direct so for us sa na no mo ye ena kofi anto ata omo ena ni nyina de omo efree mu
Auntie Grace me bato e de na twin mo ba scene ho anyambia junior ntiatia mu de na mamu pie bae
okay de ma e pie bae no dey enso e jina ni mu ha anti e beti ani se omo te light na shock obi o a shock obi o na enyina ntiatia mu sa na e jaye kope ni pakora hwe ene ma enso e twin e free a enso e ko ene ni nipa wo ho pa ti are hotem no
nti at the time I mudu ho ne de na wani tua junior se omui
na ne ho kika
no da form na se no gina ho
no da form obutu sa ne dress na ne de wo party na the same thing ena na ese no
wow Ebacho mitio
aha enti carpenter ni no ka ho ne de ye nyamu ne kira kwan anapai na minimara me nko ho de o hefie ni so no ne kofa carpenter ni ne baaye enti obi hu ne kira kwan enti ka o de baaye nyina akwa sei na esi ho ebo na ni nyina na ka ni si ho ti obi enti mi hu baby awa papa no yo hefie ni so kofa ne baaye ene no anu so nipa bebre nipa 2 yeah ene collapse junior ne ma me pa de office amono kwa ena de office ni so no so yire anu so collapse ema na eni enyan na are honso
me but video sa be hwe junior no on the shot ade ben no
junior no na she flower top no
the yellow woman ne green woman
Aye. And now the other fear is on the blue, no.
Your chef here is blue, no?
Yes, Pacho.
Anti carpenter Nino na on the washia, Otuze Ghana Shin and Naya.
Yes, on the carpenter Nino.
And at your shade green, no, so you're why?
The ocean green, no. On no what, Beverly crossing. Now, Uti Muye crown, only a mobile money. They were crossing Honolulu through Sundays. Now, on another whole year mobile money. And the end, and our friend for Fogiton, a Gianni crossing Hona, no more friends to see about so the Ithaca. Into Ombra, no basic animal. Or the Meba, Emma Nipano, private car, but to car on the first tree, crossing Hoba, baby, and Quenchiani see. So Ombra, no basic animal. Now, also the Chua. Obia timi kan bibi
Jim FM
no so mumuaba eni sehe then an kana se ni nyame no se den yo obi ntimi entre
Asemo Auntie Grace Junior unimo maame ni papa ye pa
Junior de mindim o maame ni papa me bet na ha no no enche and I feel almost no more renting if you almost in some doors of power.
Oh, okay. And you
see no a bantro flat. One in the at the home.
No, okay. And you wouldn't name about any papa, but any man at you.
About the papa, dear. Name papa. There may see any so almost any papa or according to, but I don't know.
Assemble into and random ready na bebre honey dear.
Not a hostel. Or a hostel.
Auntie Grace, the bacha no pay and you be a wafa ho.
Me pacha na pay them in far ho.
And a pay one far ho yet.
Me pacha daddy.
But when you any updates about Junior Mame? So collapse and is saying who ye?
Oh, Junior Mamma, the Lama, or Dimi, about Nihuban, a sooner, nana, a womb. A sooner, nana, a womb. And now there will be our a family member, be our Nipane bar. Now we're married. And hand. Because some cabin shame near catch us, say we nipa. Every woman I'm here.
Auntie Grace, me patch and fancy and was it. Why? Yam some drink comes on here. Yeah.
Make me Astra de Cacra.
Me patcho BTO.
Yes, let's say. More by Adom Poid, more feeding a coach ye. Obia Timo. Yes, let's the BBC, by a free fire service. Yes, free police. Yes, sir, or more home because I'm not from a buyer and can be and I have spent 2 hours and some police bobber. Could you imagine say police bobber any part 3 driver come home at 3
and Grace Bebre Hono more police station or
Bebre police station or a honum
police station or
yeah, police station. I mean, maybe Bebre town.
Okay.
Maybe need my need a hotel.
But baby assembly see no. Yeah. The nearest police station in Muchin Power. As a car every police station wa basin wa e be di be wana. Andrew cry. Ana enti ebe di be how many minutes na car to me do?
Okay, police no siren be 30 minutes crowd far and taking po. Oh, and take but then if your prayer be 2 hours. Fire service plan is me about kaka no so for na wa deal o mo ba e mo tin fire for adwuma. Police adwuma, train police. Ade si be 5 police by na 6 to 7. Oh. Yes, police for people driver come home 3. I say no more seeking for help. Boys, you know, no be any abre. Obi a chichene ho. Obi a chichene ho. PS Rabbi this say I pra. Na bi di agro e no mo afraid ye rough for there but am omo kika omo ho maye. Yes,
Auntie Grace, Maminda was why? I was here, I asked some more. In fact, Osha dear Kwasu video no more Facebook, in fact, honestly. Some of the comments about my making kind be mount. Some Asempa. We Eric Akwe or say, oh, very, 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 very sad. R.I.P. to their family. Ajua Emisa Yurenchi or say sad. Authorities should have done something about the high tension pole long time ago. Black Eye, I say good morning, Asempa. Indeed. This is very sad. Afrasin Tete David, I say, very pathetic. Rachel Mensa, I say, very sad, Asempa. Kinzola, I say, oh Lord, help us. Samuel Amo, I say, very, very sad indeed. Daniel Segbefi, I say, Asempa, I don't know what to do. Abofra Scott, I say, God help us. Daniel Kotti, wicked leaders plus bad leadership is equal to death in Ghana. Honestly, the buy, I don't know. Nana one, or say, God should have mercy on us. Jifa Akali, or say, this is heartbreaking. And Mavis and Safwa, I say, ow. In fact, is this country under curse or we are cursing ourselves because of trust? It's too much. Something must be done, not just the talk. May that be brave. Prince Dache Hine Kwabena say, sad news, Asempa. Ajua Ado. I say, oh, what a shock. I was also found here, bro. Indeed, American kind in our head amount. I was here 16 minutes after 7. Yeka Rehosema isi ewo Bebreno. The anichim wa Memphis Central swa. Empata ho ehoswa Rehosem esi wo ho. Obi bebi sadie nkra na ekosui. Ye nkra na Rehosem esi wo Empata ho Memphis Central no. A reporter Peter Tabri yene ntwetwe nkomo. Peter wotimi nka so ndwen kan ho.
Welcome also.
Yo, Peter bibia bokwa no fei.
Ano fe bibia bokwa.
Right. Empata ho na yefa ne wo.
Mpata ho eye ekrobi a ebe nkaka wo Amanfi Central.
Amanfi Central. And your baby sasa Amanfi Central region ben.
Region Western region.
Great, that's right. And then I'm better establish it. And see the NC ewo ho.
Eric Mensa Eric Mensa akura na ye mpaka hono.
Okay.
I ben nkaka wo Amanfi Central.
Me bacha Mensa no ye hwan.
Ono na ye fie wura wo mpaka ho akura ono ye akura no wura.
Right. Me bacha Dwaso mame. Abusia nkoma ye twetwe bra Facebook na fe mpata ho so arehosem e course e wo mpata ho bra behwe na dai na se dwubensa no. Peter, what do you boy amane?
Now no fear da. Ebra na bono mi numpa mu. Na awehu se esi wo mpaka ho a ebe nkakawo amafi central. Na yebo aproko koduru mu hono mu ye ne hofo ehwe enkomo. Na ye omuche mu ni se na omu ye adwuma omutu fom agudie. Mpaka ho nye kura eso na adwuma titire wa mo ye galamsey nti ama akura no agidi pa na adwuma me bawo
Peter Mate. Hello Peter.
Yeah, adwuma mo ye galamsey na omuko adwuma na efi hono mo so no omo to good na omo san eto koko esanto galamsey ehun niam ebi ti say fine any pumping machine na omo kokoye adwuma wi a na omo de pumping machine so asama be sisi efie hono mo na we na opanyini CKwasi osei a wadi mfinhia dia 99 a do na fe no cyber ono ana otokoko otogold ewo mpaka akura hono mo na yehwemu ma nyanentia se ebra na otutu gold no enam se papa ni dindi Mensa a ne ma se bi omowu se si ameno ka sei o take advantage eton petrol akura hono mo subi when na opanyini CKwasi osei ebra o so eja se order to gold no na mistakenly eja ekoko so petrol ma eji wom e ma ifi hono mu nyina kese nipa miensa sabira me no kese o mu nyina atoa na nanom
me batonya betre na menti ase yi na papa baako tutu gold me boa sana gold no not tutu afie ni inside and tutu na bonten
na otutu ewo efie ni inside
wasoja otutu gold no ena ohwe de minhu ya ye de ntoma kata my goodness ai ena minhu papa bi oda ho a ase ye de ntoma ono ye hwan a wahyehe oda ho ono ye hwan
sa papa ya sabre mu hwe no Facebook a wahyehe ono na efa no CKwasi osei a dodo na fa no cyber ene obore cyber de anya mametu ene fancy ana original akura
na jese obia nim no okay ono na auto gold ewo mpaka akura hono mo na adwuma na kasa ni wura ene Mensa ono na ne ma awu aka opanyini Kwaku cyber cyber no so ya papa na kura no na chi ba pe na
ne ono
me pacha wo na jese enye papa ne pe ne wu ye
David
nipa mienu wu ka ne ho
medasio
na oni omu nyina na edadan ba akom
yo medasi ebra na bo no mienu mpa mu ana sa opanyini CKwasi osei a do na fa na cyber ono ewo fie ana abodoma ya fa no gift Mensa a wanya bosome nkro ana binwa adodo na afra no abeku eno ana mo di fe no akura so no ono so anya mfihia enan sa nkrofo miense na omwo fie nti adanam se fo magudie no mutumi nti na obi biara awo patam ho ya kọ adwuma nti ebra
na ka omo miensa pe
ka omo miensa
ana omo fie ana omo nyina dadan ba akom
omo nyina wadan ba efie hono mo omo nyina wo fie hono ma chese omo na nti papa Kwaku ai osei a yefe ne seba no ono na otutu gold a
bitanya betre ye beba gold no so me bache wo bobodin no o ka se akola wanya bosome nkron 9 months nyasa na ono so da papa ya wawi enchen bi e wodem ho na akola no na ne maame wen
sabre na ne maame ko fom so ko pe aduane abafie se na be ya mbenya adi
enti ode akola ni ja papa no
ode ni ja opanyini Kwaku osei
Openi Kwaku say ne ba no.
Ya ne ba ne ba ke fan say ni nua panyini ba.
Ni nua panyini ba nti odi ni gya ne say oba.
Yeah. Nti ono so Kwaku no ono na ohwe fie ho no to gold. So mo di gold ba fie ho no ma na wato.
Onneto.
Yeah.
Okay. Enti na papa na otutu gold na otutu awie na wa beton ama Kwaku ya na.
Debi. Ana so mu tu from a good year nti no. Omo abi office wa kura ho no mo. Enti omo nya gold ni bia na omo de aba efie ho no mo na omo abetoto ho na omo scale na watua kama omo. Okay. Enti no ni ja de to gold. Ana petrol na wo ka ho asem ne esi edan na omo dem na na. Yo. Osha de kwakoba ni se enam se omo tu from a good year nti no. Opanyini advantage no eton petrol akura ho no mo se na be ya obi be pebia gu ni pumping machine ma obenya bi ato akura ho no mo
enti petrol no na esi hefa
petrol si ho no ma oto any pumping machines no ede mana
petrol Peter le bacho ye ka se sisi ho a ne petrol ni sisi abonten ana esisi dem inside
na esisi ebisi abonten ebi nso wo edemu.
Oh, okay. Enti eja no de ahi na tom eto de na ewo dan nim.
Yo eto abonti wo de na kokko agi nsem kokko to de ewo dan ho no nyina ma spread 5 fie ho no nyina.
Baby ana petrol ni si no eni baby ana papa ni tutu gold no etesai.
Okay.
Emu
shada entwe ben ho na wo hwa de aye no se asani si na obi ani ho no mo omo horom na omo nyina nso wuye no enti no de ma kokko eye nhwemu no de hu ya ne se na petrol horom che ever floating bi eba mu ene ko so sa aturen cheke sienti se
enti papa na na otutu gold na nija no ekoso petrol mo no awai
ono na fa no Kwaku ose no na wa hidro be na oda ho no ma wa mo sa
anti ono akasa so na ahyibi no
me da so.
Oh my goodness, in fact aish. Wow. Bita. Akwala ketwa ne maame wen.
Yo akwa zakwe enam se kura no ye dan so mienu no ntine ema eni nyina so na ahye no ntine ema papa no ne na yire etu efri akura ho no mko ekuro ebe omo efe nkaka.
Maame ne wani born so.
Many bonus pa na chezo charge adua awehu yi pa na menya chance na many papa no twen ko mo bi sa ne se ne ma eye ahe na o chemu se wa wudu nti omo cha to last but one no omo na omo film sisi ye na ohu bi se onye
oni maame ne pe na wudu no.
Yeah.
Peter. Asumje.
Ayawehu
na de many boss on Facebook we cry there in fact.
Na many papa ne twen komo no. So wo Facebook na wo hwa wo timi se papa Kwaku o say oda abodoma wanya na amant ne so.
Me wo se omo pejwa na yi bibia fi na se.
Yeah, abodoma wanya bosume nkro no ono na oda papa na se no. Papa no ebra na eja no to horom no papa no mie na ni se nka obepeja abodoma wanya bosume nkro no na nka wa pie nti owura ho no mo che se owura ho na ja na spread be bia wantimi a omu nyina ehyibo mu
abuja my fancy why in fact
Ayawehu
Ida
Ayawehu penny
mame na wase why
Ayawehu yo na mame fa we kwan twam
Peter fa twam na in fact
Ayasemu Amanfi Central ye omo fofo na enam so omuni ambulance nti fire attendant no ema ebra adi si ye no che say awehu ye pa omo frɛ kura ebe ho efrɛ no Asenkragwa and also I'm on few ways or ambulance your friends of fire service now almost from 50 quantity with just say omo go do ho no mo no e kwan so krampo omo nya kwan enko ho no mo na say omo ho na gather vim the pumping machine omo de two from agudie and it me bomb modern it me do muja no
Abusia me fancy why asum drinka
enka won so
asamo Daddy chia ya tinsam foforo Peter Tabri ya na wase Amemfi Central Abusia dia course no ye betray ho aba ye ba indeed Dwaso Nsem dwumadi ye betwa so nsem asisi de doso na asem no so de nya si a definitely uti Adom nko ade a obetibi ye nko for quick break ye ba ye betwa so
Onia, Shafi Fufroyasi yo na frokosro DSTV so. DSTV at the entertainment bebria wori we bushia peno ebrel. Enti ya krado na DSTV de ube frokosro ankasa. Ye the football akukudam, local drama kona kono, and nkora shows properly na ebremo. Enti onia, a free 14th January kopim 31st March 2021. Nya obeya ni so be upgrade with DSTV package no akoni ye wonenim. Na DSTV bema package ya ebra no so awuntia bibia. Eye koko kra. Enti yemfa se wo access ya to your family package pay na DSTV bema compact free. Follow ye hashtag no DSTV step up for more. And after ye was 0302 740 540. DSTV, it's your moment.
That first whistle is more than just the start of a football match. It's the start of friendships. It's you screaming your lungs out. It's the joy of your team's equalizer. The exhilaration of scoring the winning goal. It's a sigh of relief after hearing the final whistle. It's celebrating your team being crowned champions. That first whistle is just the start of something priceless, where you don't just watch it, you live it. MasterCard, official sponsor of UEFA Champions League.
Yes, labad down kwasek. One seats. Last two. Chabada mokana. Wole. Unche no smacks I want to me fro. Amasa, unche no smacks. I don't know fro.
Oh, Messi waya.
Dabi. Aircraft still. Also no smacks.
Oh, anio. Say die etiam na wagana ha. Sa ubeko ni pema unche no mask. Se ye chiwa. Ubetimi akwefiase be ya busumi nsia. Enti ye ne say ye yase. Wedding anampo se dwum. Show no mask. Wetina taxi mu. Uber ana trotro mu mpo a. Show no mask. Wo she no mask ya. Ebetimi abo woni wadofo ho ban. Efri yare kodi wo coronavirus ho. Se wonya hunu coronavirus ho senhwani bia. Koye test eye positive a enhye ho no medru. Kwaya sabia ben wontempara. Corona eye virus busiefo. Na so ye kambo mu a ye betumi disunkonim.
Madam, mask ye fewati. We guy. Pacho mamiska. It's a kind of emergency the your corona.
Yenia eye show mask. Enkai boy free Ministry of Health, Ministry of Information, Ghana Health Service, and our for chain.
Good morning. It's breakfast time. Start your day with Indomie.
Machio, anobody jemreno aso for Indomie show no pass.
Indomie instant noodles tastes great.
This advert is FDA approved.
Oh boy, I beg. Don't put me away. What them have bright too much?
Hey, Minia, now we are vampire.
I say like to tell me this one no show. Oh, with the complete cheap mini. The real body and then can get mukra.
Now when you have what? Robert and Sons.
Robert and Sons.
Omo be swan no ma won tem. Send me wife any ya. Robert and Sons ne chichaje no. Enfie dio no ni akire ni a Robert and Sons akoso di nimdie soronko ene abafum fidie ahwe eninyaro ahodo. Won mu adabraka adenta kumasi osudan kwa tema weja ene islegon. Fra 1050-151-91111. Robert and Sons, seeing is believing.
Get digi with it. Star 924#. Get digi with it. Star 924#. On your mark, ready, set, let's go. CBG Mobile USSD Young Code. Star 924#. Funko the go. Smartphone no, young phone no. Ever fire money transfer. For your water bill, for your light bill. Factor credit. Star 924#. You deserve it. Let's go. Get digi with it. Star 924#. Get digi with it. Star 924#.
CBG is empowering you to get digi with CBG Mobile. Simply dial *924# and get digi with it. CBG, we stand with you.
Auntie B.
Customer.
About show me here.
Game on. Betsboro.com.gh. Game on. Betsboro.com.gh.
Sanity Abusia 35 minutes after 7. Achedi ampanyako pandi ode hoto ne so abema de obedi wa ma de obehye. Ni bagu ye ni mase ache o. Anso nyame ne hene. Onya kasa be ne de obeye. And as well. Uti Adom 106.3 FM. Dwaso Nsem. Good morning, Kwame Kakari Keke. Yege bibia boko there. And as well. Jamaica Hawati is you. Ibia be fine. Afiyan koma ohoka for Philippa Befi. Philippa Bokodia. Yamene hene. Abusia, why you worried, Anna? Open answers to some nagging questions. COVID-19 abasi. Wajimu yauna. Ebia woman so be who do no enti yo na ade ye bia nye bia symptoms and at a sign the batch take it easy, relax. Some re ya yes we ni baby akwa mempie no wo hye no de ekoso bia relax it. Now the phone keke them sense some men na wo trim doso e fa COVID ho and one is what dilate 255 na your day. Vodafone Ghana's Outline Medical Center. As a main control said, they got you covered. And to dilate 255. But what this one you know down. Also, oh doctor, and the idea to say, doctor, dear me the day. Unya dilate 255 per with them. Let's send some mammy so yeah Juma. You bet me a friend. If he are not pout no watch it, a copy menu no watch it. Wo frepe ambefa cheche bia opebia amodi amao COVID adaro man shemo say bibia abefum fidie so ne defa online abaso ekoyepa wonya sabo banka woni ne din saboso COVID abrei why special inshedi ama wo so because on pese wo be pie woni nipa be bompu nimpu na COVID ye bia che wonti ya no mo yen hihye papa Odom EcoBank awutem Visa EcoBank pay GHQR no when you are ultimately your payment ebo baby are very safe and then Emma make payment maybe try be biase you cast a contactless payment out here and you feel now for cash maybe share you are 05 no debbie contactless from the comfort of your home office on pay when up day and EcoBank pay GHQR and a block and you're saying so I to make you move in let reach out to more customers with the new EcoBank pay GHQR enquiries about your for EcoBank it was 0302-213-999 and our toll free number 24/7 0800-003225 EcoBank cash hashtag stay safe for business EcoBank the Pan-African Bank but your fan go ben ya wo di go ka mo fan go ben ya wo to use and then me fan go bia na yeto and I know say with Adom news elsewhere no no say insio na omubugum sa ope fan go papa ye nya botre aye and so many years of research and yet me aye na say ye dia ba Dwaso as ye nya botre omuda hokro ye ope say wo engine wo bo ho ban na fan go no di gumu kra na hohoro wo engine nim kama amaka na bradwuma ye and one shell fango shell the about way omo the Dynaflex technology and the design here is it my Ghana bedumo and you prefer papa and one shell wo drive it echo any shell filling station was my bamo fango papa no ya mo the Dynaflex technology ayeno if I mo mami bi and I mudi gumu movie can out to say afei na wo car ne te apo enti me ne wo ka say ya to America Shell station bi a wo de borura ho on Sabe County 41 minutes after 7 Oza make 41 after 7 a number na just about 741 a number Oji too sure dia and you with them NL 590 Adabroma is a young Pierre Mo who say ye trap. I'm the abessery. I be a multi-team feature. I am basing cookers as a ham, Huno. And the social media been waiting for ye crack. Have a weapons to make us are you a try. Yempy. As I share them. And once you fire phone. Near dial star 959 hash. Star 959 hash. You can secretly. When up there. Numbers is the Bushwa baby. I would open for DJ one number fetch with them. With them, over their debut. About your NLA 590, dial star 959 hash our phone so announce Obeko 590mobile.com.gh. Was selected too short, too direct, too bunker. Work sharp. We need to usika. Sharp new crown aba. And Chabusia, the Naposo, CBG say we stand with you. Vodafone. The future is exciting. Ready at the Herbal Center. Of course, latest phone. Your partner for life. Papa not joining me. Papa no. I don't know. Do so and do so. Chiwa na chill. Obama was a dika Puma drink. I won't feature her. Nature no Puma drink. Apple flavor no chai. I know the banana no ma DJ Awana. A bunch of baking. And you are over the demand also the more fancy ones. Only the pineapple. Puma drink. One pay when up there once the 50 pesos per with them to 14 to 13 cedis per pack. And I guess why you 2 to 415 cedis per pack. At 4 your phone number way 0262 351 251 0262 351 251. Puma drink. Another quality product for Casa Preco Company Limited. Kofi Asana joining me. When napos personal odiaba eja bokodie boko asempa na Mr. Budi weekend na kosen I say weekend no in fact na a year because on say the tie bia ye kwa sorry na the tie bia ye kwa sorry na mo say open sorry anya konte dia wodi anya bone o say o say Aden Zenia Niadona ye. Aden Zenia I said to me cooler system no so because a human ending and you cooler system no. Oh yeah, Puman me was web trabi na dia betrase. Say ya now de kakra na won nti no. I say Puma drink there, we had the kakra one ekoyi. Ice cubes you man. Oh, there, yeah. Na me be. Oh yeah, na papers no see there na the fias here.
Daily graphic.
Yeah, daily graphic. Sharp.
Na front page, daily graphic. Na Kojo upon Krumana or Brofudimbi.
Za
Yentamo. Na guy Papa Vincent.
Oh, Vincent.
Yes.
Kojo upon Kruma. No, the Vincent nate.
Na odi abetuja.
Yeah.
Na no. Ya share afin na watching us here.
Exactly.
Gidi ya se wakoka se eto ofofro ya abe ya COVID-19 to ya abe.
Yeah.
So na no ya nom no be 6 months ni light ya dead the move crack. Nanka hwan nkutia
asemo
hwan nkutia nkutia no say 11 aba ne de e nkutia nsuo na wanom no dada no Ghana for say hwe
ahene ha
mo say anum nsuo no free mo de campaign ni ade na wie na yanum nsuo ni wie ya mo say I don't say David in the press conference or say
empty sir that is saying
this are crying
and you know the kind
on the kind the bro for no kind on even sense and the casa idea
and the other country actually
o kind bro for and this are front page of the daily graphic or say one casa levy ya the betia light bill no water bill now you find free no one can sir
okay
I feel so now ena omampeni na church for Asante bedie tu anase bedie tu Asante ya obobia ko ne love letter tintin
pa ewa pa
21 page
no si domele voyer ne dan
o kire se o si CSO ya mu na mu kekasa na mampeni akwan afa so di yi domele vodu na de ena mfa kwan mu na de o se masa ensem ni mu ni mu aya ma mu nkadi mu ni mu ma mu nkadi enti the love letter no chiro by no see ekwan omfa so a omudi jadom lewo kwan no enamra kwan so
oh okay
chese ne tetia ne se
enamra kwan so
enti se mo ntiase a mo de se court yi wo honum e bia mbese mo de ko bia se enamra kwan so a you can test the system and see na enamra kwan so na omo yi na di nti no eno so
wa be chirem I bet you come. To Ghanaian Times, so the same thing that happened. Dom Levo was retired lawfully. Office of the President response to CSOs. Yeah, some more. But don't say not make kind letter, no. But honestly, some of the words in the letter, no, for me, I think say is a bit too harsh. It's a bit too harsh. I was there. Makenkai. This Dom Levo issue by any letter Asante Bedi to be released be and the choice of words is too harsh. You understand? It's too harsh. We are executive secretary to the president. Don't communicate like that. May adopt a certain posture because we posture now we adopt you read the meaning to the president. Because what true on behalf of the president, it means president not doing and I will communicate. It doesn't mean president worse our person would be Benyana. You worse you two attacking. Of course, I'm a bit surprised. Oh, executive secretary. Yeah. And Asante Bedi to we a lawyer. You understand? And what communicated to the nation? That is not the posture of the president. And there are things that was so be tuneful because we adopting a certain posture. Emwa. And
page 3, Ghanaian Times story be Hanum.
Yeah.
Now before I boss our story, no, I said and the story I shas here. Adom 106.3. Efa Ura Prince Charles Dejo. East Legon case,
yeah.
And then Echo Court.
Wow.
Echo Court. On any yiri we from Lillian Dejo case nende Ebesanko Court. Na yedi eni ebedi achiri. Ye reporters ewo honum dada. Bibi ebesi wo court obia no. Omo de beba autopsy so are ready and also emu filani na ye wo hanum.
Okay.
Antino brepemu no ye de beba.
Exactly.
Now before eno no beba no man arrested for pushing girlfriend out of speeding car.
Or pushing girlfriend. Abra car niko speed. Before be an again the share no.
And a 57-year-old man. Rayborn Evans Anyandi. You see, allegedly pushed his wife or his girlfriend
girlfriend
out of a speeding car to avoid paying her back a debt he owed. Not just
or the girl in the car. Tiomuchi car name's a girl in the boss.
So Charlie. Now,
no, so my main compreko. And I quay.
No, because we don't see.
But
fine woman. Elizabeth. Ahilaza.
Where did lady them quite the Sika Kakre?
Fine lady. Fine lady. Now, my interest can 2,000 Ghana.
2,000 Ghana. Until our pian lady say uncle. How?
We're seeing from cry.
How?
Can also Jimrica. And we're seeing from. And I feel so story about also the Hanum. Police investigate killing of man at hotel in Accra. Police for one crime. Shemu. You say a brand sebia ususu obi na ekunu. Ewo cap price. Ewo Kwame Nkrumah sek haya na police for gusu hwem. Kwan ya fa so papa no. Ohwe ne kwan ya ewo hotel. Na police for kire say o ma fa suspect bi a omototo omanum nsem. Na mrepemu no so amode ho amanebo ebetudwa. Na 3 burnt, 2 injured in road crash. And also now what we hear car accident is here nipa miensa a sheer a prior and also the Ghanaian Times at the Aba
Democrats at the Aba
meeting Akabia North
working kind
I feel so sir or Kovia the COVID-19 vaccine yeah we want free omoko wie
no omako wie de kwan
that's a business sir
Amokoton
say buy no ya hwehwe omo a wo so omo wo this one
oh okay
ebia na obia wo say we big man say you know so
okay
and I also super say we movement bi na ade wo so tu kwan ni ade
and you wa ko wi ade be wo me
od be wo no tia ne
amanfo so ba just
me this story ni do baby aman mi so na bi so si ya na COVID-19 vaccine there who ko wi ade aye nti me na gana say na bi so bi ekro hanom so
Wakovia.
We are vaccine. And we are company now.
Hey, Radi.
I mean,
Radi. And some to you. Hey, I don't want to be a radio.
Na me catch you say ko ya was be wo me. Wo me ya go tell me tia.
Na yes obewa wie. So buy ya. Obeji ni siganse wa wo.
And also the daily guide any one man. After EIU tips NDC 2024 rules out Mahama. Was it NDC for a chance 2024 so move a winning election no. So
not with Mahama.
Omodi Mahama kodia.
Ombelusi.
And also the daily
statement.
No, the daily guide.
Okay.
I feel so. Ora before any ora amwabin say amopo bank no back.
Jim
Omo petition. Eko parliament. Say parliament enhwehwem. Omo frɛ BOG for no omo hwehwem. Ekwan ya fa so a omo gi omo licenses ni bi firi mu nsɛm no so. Parliament enhwehwem na de wechiri bia no so. Omo fa emra. Yes, story this was agenda to destroy Baumia exposed.
Wow. As a for agenda kesiya pa.
Yes, Kratane say omuhwehwe mu omusa kan che say NDC phobia any MPP phobia omu no enioma enkoye mu omu akomuti afam ho a
ompesa omu ye
omuye kululu bia na omugu ura Baumia ehun fi kakra se na be ya ebia ono so ni agenda wo se bia obetumi abedi oman no so party no obetumi se no eno so Kratane so dia ba
Mate
why expose you
go vi me da say yan sorry so ha because boys aba yan sorry so Well, I'm saying about 6 minutes to the top of the hour. And Adom 106.3 part 1. And bro, Dwaso Nsem is a way a truck driver, taxi driver. When you join it, Total Trucksy Club now. One catchy. Ye dear Jow. I tell you, pim free fuel. Musumi Bia Yansaka. Yankasa Yanya Quenchia, and so I can share by your Quema. Total say up to 6,000 Ghana cedis. When you are Ubenya. There's a make me who join me and no invite you now for 4 at the Abba. Who did the man in so so drive any Okoshim where Hoya Denti or non qua Massa Jaisa, Mount for 4 Beb Joy B. And to many will say Total filling station be a Ben will be a Buraho or say Total Motroxy Club. If I am farming Caho, said the Bayer, I tried the no Miss Menyabi. We fee Total I never see a pay bibinom. Bibi a mudaho, bibi a ede. Bibi a good radio might said that we are prepared for the day. Only Mwawolo. Nescafe sweet and creamy. And once I'm making with just 1 Ghana CD. 1 Ghana CD pair. Nescafe sweet and creamy. If I know be mama what now no more that I say Asempa me dasi. Planet here. Breakfast today and one in Nescafe sweet and creamy. Adom 106.3 FM. Dwaso Nsem Adom Sports Page Part 1. Eba, stay tuned.
Shake your belly, left, right, front, back, turn around and smile. Angelina Kuta, Angelina Kakwe. From long tennis to javelin, swimming and for wrestling. We are Tiger Woods swinging. We are Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo, we are Muladi Olympics. And for Kotsa! Mario Kotsa, 112 minutes! Find a way from president to pauper, from chancellor to the cheap seats. What a fabulous touch and take from Mario Götze.
abusia ya share aye na what you know ase ene aye juada me se eda edikan e na watwi mu ano no na oba match bosome mu dia na se ene so nyame adomo yeguso aikan akuyani ene eda etoso aduonu enu mienu na se 22nd March 2021 ena yatin konyoma yade enkomo ebrawo live on Adom 106.3 FM. Pini Cobblestone okumanka pakwa maka ensroja ene mene
obin kwaku maestro
the exclusive the exclusive you see I am person no pabia mom who say you are the exclusive
Ghana de obi ani
no you are the exclusive
me am in the story because yanka obi antiminka
na yanka hwana beka yanka hwana beka
but yamfa we ntweme exactly 39 years today
yes
22nd of March 1982 Captain Emmanuel Kwashi and his colleagues presented Ghana's 4th and Libya's AFCON 82 trophy to the Flight Lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings and started parading through the streets of Accra amidst citizen celebrations and ecstasy. That's exactly 39 years Ghana a G.
Some was so it's because Ghana man to one you want.
Okay.
It is a ne esa ya bakwasem that ya. Me some was said to mama Mrs. But I pay my yama from who say a higher Adom 106.3 FM. I'm meeting Eddie Cobblestone, but also
a family maestro.
Now, and Jumedia Yedi, see a year, Nebia, or some person, some here. Uko a Facebook wa ubo said the ho uko YouTuber ubo said the ho uko your platforms ni nyina so a na me no ka se de bomode so be download a go phone so adomonline.com application no e na o download we a de media no pay die sabakosem je etisen se nkoma empa all the exclusive akwaku pay maestro atna say ni e ka bom e de abro no wetime anya bi na onso wa hwe betway say for the love of the game and na agro no ho no ya na nkofo bebre e follow big teams na so mo bi siasa na ese da bi me ko teams enketo no ne fa nya ne keto bi na pow na dem gwagu na abi mo raho ba na bi mo ani age na bi mo raho na bi ani age betway.com.gh so and a soccer bet your best bet for sports betting and what you know give us power capsules MTN sit download my MTN application now and process for the F-Pack blows your pain away BX tablet and a bet planet woman in other and a kamboma homo touch na no prayer yadin kome epa it me sentie Ghana month and common
well Kobi yan kanche busan for say eye in fear and as in fear to so aduasa enkono pepe that 22nd of March afi 1982 and Blasters captain friend Emmanuel Kwashi one Nemrantie no edi America Niger free Libya ba ya African Cup of Nations trophy ene yanyi bi no the toso 9 no ya free Libya 1982 AFCON trophy and omde America had ko share the then president Flight Lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings Nsem and dede yo Niger fans pa the street of Accra ya there Niger sema na nye asenkuma na no san da nchen a sabre no no na Ghana yedodo ye be 11.68 million okay 11.68 million sa time no sa na yedodo no eye ne ya me no ka say yedodo no a triple na say aboho be miensa na is about 60% of Ghanaians current population was not born then na say o hwe enipa dodo a na Ghana o mo na enei mo hwe nkrofo a na o mo Ghana na bibiri na ho a Sadia because you are making woman who be one TV. That time, 39 years, me sure say
39.
1 TV.
39.
Are you one TV?
I want to cry, me sure so TV.
Near baby. And the woman TV. That's about I was your live Adom 106.3 Adom Sports part 1 no and I had brew one time called a GFA catching up and fan come with you and fan so can years of Kraku one on the president of the Ghana Football Association and some by and some paid na no to Nsem bimo and I'm saying sent over here so if you heard the alcohol ma kan ye pro ye pa anya dia omo to na jeje mu krom den sanso no mjide pa se sika sem bi hor mekwa emu nhyara en na ho fan emfa ma Ghana for amantia se o se nya no yense entumi nka and years of Kraku no say watiatia nene onshe Ghana phone nyina bo o say na administration a very transparent na say accountable pa nyina ne say na administration o say bibia demu fine accountable and also demu fine o gidi pa say Ghana nya no mugidi a obetimi ato aso abo adwuma na wasom Ghana ne Ghana football ama bibia etimi akoye tiefo bekaya owura kero kreku ono na be the 24th president of the Ghana football ye told so ba kama pa 25th of October 2019 and ya mani 2 means say onsom said the president for the next 4 years and no any original so achiche say Ghana for yen mujidi na administration is transparent and accountable.
In the forward match of our new football association, Ghana football has gone through some amount of turbulence. We have gone through some challenging period, but as a family we've always had the mental strength to go through successfully this challenging period and to deliver a new product called the New Ghana Football Association that is currently being consumed by the entire nation. Our new football association, as we currently have it, is deeply in love with all the good qualities of modern day corporate good governance principles. We are very transparent, we are very, very accountable, and we have a hard-working staff that truly represent what Ghana needs to take our football association to the next level.
We Adam Komar, the president of the Ghana Football Association, Ket Dwaso Kreku Edijai.
Abusia Dwaso Nsem Adom 106.3 and Pesoma we Adom Sports page 1 and Yatnasia Yaguso Ade and Samno Abrawono na Yakumno Nese Yaboromo our club issues no and Koma Epiomo our team Saudon Aseno Yamfa Ebinso and Nawe na Meno Eka Sedie na Wachi Ewieno se Enekoye Kumase Asante Kotoko ene Ebony FC Wamade Ayankofa Akansie Bako Aaron Tamso Ema Kotoko Edin Kunim Eka Enum Ema Ebony FC Wamo Etimu Mieno Nese Nabiketa Lai Wano Ebo Brace Au Macha Etime Eko Solomon Godfrey Siama Eshebi Patrick Asman Ensu Shebi Enafe Solomon Safutela Wano so Etime Edebako Epe Swatu Sampa Jese Enyadia Eda from Awo Kotoko Enim Hokra Na Enyamonkwa Ena Wamo Eboye Phobia never say die until the bones are rotten House of Folk Wamo Sono Na Ayadese Wamo Ejina Akonopa Wamo Ene Banana in FC Ena Ede Erin Tamso and also Ekowie 4-2 Nese Kotoko Ewini 5-2 no na Hasen so Ewini 4-2 honoma say NH Eric Dizan ano ena player bakwa was say go ni be sanso ena Kwajo Obin Junior ono so asia bako Isaac Mensa Ebo Brace Samacha etime eko sonomo etina biketa Ebo Brace no na aye Isaac Mensa ono so Ebo Brace honom player bakwa ene ne ho akoye nsem bebrebe ewo hasa hwe no aye Adimola Kuti Nigeria ni wobaye wan keyboard ye na sika sama pen for echema wade akoda mpenefo se yemfa emano no enye sika eda fom kra sansemo yati ye no ene yebowremo na ne kwame opare ado kasa ede maboboko no edi nkomo na no se player na kasa tamo oba no no wa pradida enti na mpenefo kwa etwenkan so yenti enchiremu a opare ado wade atudwa
Kuti Aba House of Folk. He came to House of Folk. He trained with House of Folk for some period under Coach Odu. And then after a successful period, on a win by Lawali Mamani Abdurrahman, after a successful period, the recommendation came, the register, thereabout, and a COVID in the buy. So the two of them went away. Kuti called back to Nigeria. Lawali Abdurrahman Mamani went to Niger, a Honor free, a national team player. Then before they came back, Mamani came fully fit, everything was okay. Kuti, or the injury situation, Kakraba, injury situation on the buy, and yes, he was playing for Heart of Folk, and now say, if you are all your training, and now say, Bibiana, oh yeah, as in associated with football. Message or the brain, let's say, now on any sister. No, they were buying something from a supermarket, so the mommy cutting the shop. And then, not all loading your money, they go, the boot, I want this to start calm. This is an reverse, and I can't find a knife. And while I say anybody can quote me, because you know why I'm saying anybody can quote me. Minimum your interview, we pay. People go out there and write all manner of things that are not true. And very soon, I'm confronting Nano. I'll find my time and then take them on.
Eti kwame parado ena wocheche mo se enche obetu nkrofo bi so a chese record be di omochi no
opare ka se boy no kafa na so Nigeria right
yeah
and Oba Ghana Hanso when he has started training.
Yeah.
When he has started training.
Almost started training.
Tini Nana can fast no. Oba Ghana when he has started training.
Say training.
Training. But no training. No the ball.
No the ball.
No the ball.
No the training.
But no the ball my house.
And I'm making no the training my house.
And tell you how can he player number. One more started training. Also all. One more training bear some few months. Into Franco Sheka finance or Nigeria. What kind of finance or Nigeria be? I know about no day body. And I say, oh, fit. Magia to me some signing. Magia and then your contract. Niafe do baby na fe mu training mu ne ade ne prabi dada ne ho dia na mo se mo ntosa mo ntua ne kanon ko simple as ABC enya fe na wo de call atama mu
ntia so ntua adumula
na contract no unim dia na contract
na obo ben
when the contract is signed e be a binding document president ho what the cocker
but there's some can on ka some for says can you inform
so what you do mutual termination enti bia sika we buy want me amono ye chem miensa je baako mienu no ye betua baako nti chemu si ama baako de ye twa to atwene na wontu ama no krade ye coffee for emergency sika
ye ko ye nimi
abisa for live Adom 106.3 yen kokotoko kakra wo mu Starman Fabio Gama dos Santos of Brazil and an Nsem Obaya Abrantian one de sawo ye makumasi asante kotoko no esweni enso kachira enyasem ko Abrantian o yekuma akra 27 years and Abrantian dey 2.5 years no sign contract no edi makumasi asante kotoko. In fact this season there o mu chese kotoko player why impressive there Abrantian Fabio Gama enyasem kuma akra na Nsem ne yetete pass Abrantian ba konso free Brazil Ebeka Gama no na say ni nua eba taniata o mu betwetwe Ghana fo anyasem kuma ono so din Michel Vinicius na ensema yetifa Abrantian no nyensem pakra na ensem penfo chese o mu guso a o mu toto ne ma bi koyie na no na Fabio Gama den nsem to dwa so ono de ogidie pass Vinicius Michael ya obeka no hin obeboa mo matwetwe Ghana defenders na goals o mu be hye okrum hanom ade ese ni ense okakire yenti ensem Fabio Gama ekafa Vinicius.
Yes, he's a good player, so I wish him all the best. Protocol families, they are waiting for him happy. So I wish a big welcome to him. So I'm sure that he will come and will help our families too much. Not only in the pitch, not only inside the pitch, but outside too. And I wish you all the best, my friend. And we are here to help you what we need. That big Kotoko families are here to help you too. So I'm sure that you will be very happy here. So my big welcome for you. The club is a big club, so we play in big club too. So the club is signed him because he trusts him. So the people here trust in the Michael too. So I'm sure that Michael will be a good job here. He's the same country of me, so I'm happy with this. And I just wish you come here and enjoy the life in Ghana, enjoy this great club, enjoy the pitches, enjoy everything in Ghana, because when you come, everything is different, but you have people here to help you, and the football is equal in everywhere. So just I wish you all the best.
Thank you, man.
We Nsema the Brazilians of African football Kumasi Asante Kotoko player Fabio Gama where they ever say Kotoko ni aje Brazil ama anjo pe captain ni kondoko
say obetumi aye dwuma no a
obeyama na yefense
eno ne hia Fabio Gama na no welcome obi no we say ni bro fu mu da ho Fabio no abusia enche ye the AC form na eno a okọ amanone na o hwe sedia matches no enoma bi ekokọ ya Ewrade over the weekend there na nya de da form kra enso ehonom na sei era na tie enso ehorma ene yakom kakra na yede eno so ehon komo no yatimi ede agao na FA Cup no se ebaso England FA Cup no so baso na mamenika ehwese matimi de FA Cup ne de no ede apreprem kakra maso okay enti nese enuni na FA Cup no okay over FA Cup no na me wura ni say na fe ye hwese dia e hon koma akra no na etie e honom
FA Cup games enra etumi etodwa in fact I say me todwa pa United dia no ha dwene pa but say na e course so den e honom Chelsea e che Sheffield e she na e kama mienu wentumi ansima da braka
2-1
Samson na Leicester City
2-0 na 2-1 wow
one team back
okay
2-0 Leicester City eche team papa back Manchester United she na kama miensa Emma United etimu baako pe asema hard pa
United
the team
na zero mo go win Europa obo de wi obosa
in the hato your former player and our cheat team no etwa na 2 goals Emma we di baako ka ho man ye miensa United etimu baako FA Cup and games
eti wo England wano na yade se Western United na Arsenal eno ko wie 3-3 Sanso na Aston Villa Tottenham Hotspur enom timi konya we win ekopo me kamienu a wo mo so anti-be French League 1 na anya de from Paris Saint-Germain every dance so wobra Lyon ebon kanan watimo mienu na around somewhere esiye e Italy wobra Cristiano Ronaldo ni Juventus ejinemo na Benevento ekoso mokabako na omo anti-me South Preno no na Atalanta enso ebo Hellas Verona ekamienu a wantime anti-be Fiorentina etine firma AC Milan enso kosene kamiensa watimo mienu ano eyen koma kakra etime epiemu a yade ehon so ejao and na pay o journey live on Facebook amakachiro say asasi o say ya wi dwumede no eda so eda ho say YouTube na o share so a ye be wi no na eda so ebo ho enti nso betimi akọ na onso no watimi akọ eden akọ ama awie peyo enso ehonom Mystica o say utie dwumede ewo agona so aduro sanso na we so say happy birthday eko ediama Harriet abena eye amoafo opoku CEO Edma Amwafos a choice achese ene na odu awoda Jackson Ntiamwa of Ekosi sen wono na ede emane yen sanso na we so ekodiama Robert ni Papo Atem aka the sensational MC na also ene na odu awoda we free Nicholas entry achese oye immediate past president ede ema Grasak na se eno ede no so apimo ho a yede eno so nkomo yede eja nyame yatuma enanumre yebesaba na yede Adom Sports Pay 2 yede nkoma akanyina danso ede abro anope fanase fama betway agro ho donti for the love of the game ye konkone akwanim sanso and give us a center so ndono give us co capsules give us pre capsules and afi give us a ba mixture ninyina ayendo ahodoa wo mu ediaba soccer bet your best bet for sports betting etibomade adasa no pay ubetwa unyatwa ubedi amana koye ediama MTN edema MTN application aba ya download the edegu phone so my MTN application no uko phone so App Store and as a Play Store and as a ebia wa we ne kitawa as a gallery nim no watimi downloading kama na no so etimi awie payo and ponsefa where the F pack or si blows your pain away and afi BX tablet misro kona kope enebi na entime emboa Bet Planet ane na watwi awie ye no sika manfo di okroma no enye sika eda fom kra e Bet Planet na yekitamu twetwe edi echa ama akoyepa enso ediama yeso Asempa edi Dwaso Nsem no etwaso ama.
Hey, Papa, no. Where's your friend Atu?
I was at the bar with Atu the other day. He had bet on a game and tensions were high. Then Atu said, Charlie, we go lose. But I told him, Charlie, Vim day. Go! I had won 15,000 Ghana cedis. Then Atu said, we bet for the same amount. How come I only got 9,000 Ghana cedis? Then I asked him, you didn't bet with Bet Planet?
Wait, he didn't bet with Bet Planet?
He didn't bet with Bet Planet, oh. So I went to take all my money. Then Atu asked me, all your money. My betting people said I should wait a few days, oh. For the best odds, biggest wins, and fastest payouts, visit www.betplanet.com.gh. So Atu, where you there now?
Still there, the line inside, oh.
This advert has been vetted and approved by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. Bet responsibly, not for persons below the age of 18.
Give us pay capsules. A memory. Manum bia ye benemua. Kani metutu ya na minkuma bo asese de. Betu esa kum menia ji. Give us pay capsules. Give it to me, baby. Give us core capsules so e. E man meme nyina akoko yade. Sisi yade amama nya yem timotete wo mo no. Yedru no no. Manum bi amama de me ho. Give us core capsules. Mrs. Moye ding. Give us core capsules. I give it to you, baby. You give it to me. Oh yeah. Hey. Give us in no. Amen ni jia bebusuemu papa. Na bema ka give us pea capsules. Eni give us core capsules bomu nom dia. Na eni jia ni ahoden no. Wa bruro. Give us P capsules. And remember what if you do what you do one ever. Give us core capsules. A pain for a batter one more menu for an inquada when if you do me nunca home. Our drugstore beer motophone Give us Herbal Center, Teshi Mobile, and a Teshi Adriami. Phone numbers 0543 222 470 and 050 68
FD Ashusha Sa Ejedi and Kratoimu Aja to Muse Eye.
Rise up and be a star. Strengthen with BX stars. Power. Come on.
BX free and ponsa for pharmaceuticals ya growth fra. Ebwa huna metwetwe ne pie we aduane ayedie mu. Ne senti BX bua ma yenya aduane ayedie mu mfaso.
BX mamuche nam ye ridie mu no eye mu no na ma hoden bem BX medria ne die ho akono sorry zinc wo BX mu no abua ma mofra nyine yie so we yare na wa hoden sutia for BX na ma wa hoden samrantem
in your veins regain lost appetite strength in your memory
for BX na ma woma wakokura enu abre wanso bi BX tablets in your pharmacy shops and the chemical seller shops at home, baby. BX, a Yamobia.
Charlie, this game is my game. Oh. Watch me. I will win today. Today is my turn. Go!
Even when I won the last time, the people didn't want to give me all my money at once. What is that?
Oh no, my guy. With soccer bets, you never have to wait. They pay you the same day, no matter the amount. That is why I always bet with them. No installment, no hassle, no delay. With soccer bets, bet on the best odds. Win up to 1 million Ghana cedis and get your money instantly. No delay, no hassle, no installments. Take your money now. Soccer bet, your best bet for sports betting.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. Bet responsibly. Gaming can be addictive, not for persons below 18 years.
Miami was a original Yankasa. Sa, F-Pack ye dromapa. Etu yare tisapu mumre. Etipaye feverishness, kata, cold, sasabro, and honam yawe free jumading. F-Pack ye bushe droma one way dim fie dun sianichi. Asmani also yare for dear. And sasa wa 5-pack. Ubenya F-Pack ye juman tem no drugstore se wo men munina. Sa ufa F-Pack nenu na want or wa. Kohun doctor.
Afei F-Pack Junior nso etu honam yawo mo Freddy busumi nsiani echiraba. Esa honam yawo, kata, feverishness, cold, ni flu. F-Pack Junior blows your child's pain away.
F-Pack blows your pain away.
Adom FM. Adom FM.
Adom FM 106.3.
God can stop us now. 106.3 FM.
Hey, Radi, Utumission. Engineer Sapomba, Namidasutias. Remember, Bishop Dr. J.Y. Eddie. When was Solomina, New Jerusalem Chapel. Umwami Namine Radiasi. Jesse, Kwakubuami Namituni. Hallelujah.
I was 22 minutes after 8. My young fast said, Damo Chidian Ponyankopon. Brand new one. Yao Sapon. featuring Kwaku Jesse. I say Asedanyom. In fact, your lyrics, you know, nothing beat, you know. My goodness. And you ways, what did you offer? Was sorry, there, ma. Ebebapa. Okay, it's time for your birthday dedications. I'm in for a special good morning and from Kojo Affair Brick Run. Kojo Affair Brick Run. Boss Bibi Abakodia, Director, Belkov School Complex, a Kroponwa Kuyapim. Affair, we are Madam for. I also shall make a cry. I shall make a cry, and I'm assembling. He's such a great guy, eh? Kojo Affair Brick Run. I mean, too much, bro. And I was saying, no, behind the dinner with my activity phone lines on the streets. And Sana, the Abano Crown, my baby Bosso 0302-216-561 and 0302-216-562. George Spio Kwansa, Kovispio, good morning. I swear, Dodo. Kovispio, Papa. Only other men are waiting. I'm a Manaso. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, sir.
I'm a social about
Me bacho within. The first day. Mr. Obo, me bacho yentio.
Me back on Saturday 10 years.
Oba Saturday no nya 10 years.
Go school,
okay, great. That's it. Amen. Martin, I see Brisel phrase 0302-216-561. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, boss.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Me
bacho with dinner baby Afrifi.
Bacho me the Arsenal because I see advance about.
Me bacho yentio.
Me baba dinner birthday 29.
Okay.
No any 2 years. Very tasty. Appear
right.
But if you are one and all schedule.
Me bacho you. Mate, I me da CP there a phrase 0302-216-562. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, madam.
Kacho, your friend Abino Doris.
Abino Doris Kasefi. Me bacho say. Great. Yentio.
Kacho, me mommy here fini. Barin, I'm going to that. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Great. Amen. 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 May that be 0302-216-561. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, madam.
Me bacho. Your friend Anita.
Bacho Anita Kasefi.
Me Kasefi tema bossi.
Me bacho yentio.
Me bacho me wish me mame. Yes, no. Mrs. Goddess. Upon.
Yeah.
I was Willie. I was my community.
Okay.
And then a birthday.
Wow.
And to make us a young coupon. On Shano Pa.
Amen. Amen.
No fun at time for. And send and I ask you. Maybe this I'm 27. There's 1 to 4. Emmanuel.
Amen.
But you met me, I can. Amano.
Can verse 1 no metra 2 to 4 no so amount. Why?
You. Psalm 27 verse 1.
Yeah.
Erade enene han ne nkwaje. Why na on suro no?
Why no suro no?
Erade ne nkwa ahoden.
Amen.
Why nim ena no hopopo.
Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Metwa so ama wate kele wele no so ye ba betobi mensuro. Why? That se bebre asomdwen kan 0302-216-561. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Yes, madam.
Your friend Auntie Dinah.
Auntie Dinah Kasefi.
Kasefi ko sori dia o kasi dancing.
Yo. Auntie Dinah bachi you.
When you're 5 years. Your friend Elizabeth
Maame Dansoa Danso. Oko school or Tema Committee 5. Or Papa Eddie or Hineba Danso. Agent. Onya 6 years. Last a Friday.
Okay.
I'm a man of holding.
Amen.
And Quatenting.
Amen.
Amen. And I'm a Kuma Bahakos, your friend Auntie Juice, Giant. Oh, CAC. I work out to men.
Yeah.
The brain one friend Auntie Juice. Or no, she did me birthday.
Amen.
And I'm a call also. Oh, my mere stream. Unyame. On the chain every.
You.
On the pen and you were you now.
Amen.
Oh, man, of Quatenting.
Amen. 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 Mommy, that's it, baby. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, good morning.
Yes, boss.
Yamitiasi. And yes, we can
and council was young, but I knew.
Yes, we need to have every time.
Yes, more, you.
But then we did me this much. And
okay.
And I'm the first one, so also 12
me patch you. Yeah, that's me, bro. Yeah, that's it. Yes, you most self-free. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, dear.
Hello.
Hello, darling. Good morning.
Good morning, oh. Me patch you,
woman, you're the July. What spoke one and habit? You will send you happy birthday. I would say a fun now. I walk on Mrs. I walk I would say a fun. And the first Dr. Bishop, the Wuja, happy free recovery.
Right.
And I say, also,
me patch you.
And the past and power spoke one and habit.
Oh, mommy. Me patch you, mommy. Miss me dog. Me patch you, mommy. Oh, yeah, me mommy preoccupé. Me da se be brave. Me da se pa. Great. Miss me da se pa. Well, I'm sure you're for course of you. But education and so but a very special happy birthday and come Bishop Charles Ajinasari. Bishop Charles Ajinasari and then Bishop Kasiepa. Perez Chapel International. Bishop Charles Ajinasari, happy birthday to you. Way Effie Annabelle Somoa and then his sister Elsie Asante Asiedu and the entire prayer department Amua Perez Dome. I must say, Daddy, we love you. Happy birthday, and come on, Nanekia and Chiwadapa over Parliament. Achidi ampo nyankopon ento nhira kase engu so wakoma so ade nyina emrem Emilia ne gifty asi yambo show na nakua ntwi wadapa. Happy birthday to you. And of course a special one to Mrs. Betty Akwanda, one of our twin sister more Sweden, a friend Beauty. Mrs. Betty Akwanda, happy birthday to you. We, if you were husband, Reverend George Akwanda, I'll say happy birthday to my lovely wife. I love you so much. 31 after 8. I was saying back off for a quick commercial break here, but indeed, Beyuano, Eba. Now, last week, ye Kasafa Pantine Hospital, near Vieno. The Bomoding Echo Pantine Hospital and developers are more transasia moye me be bomuding amagana funyine hu kwanya mode Pantine Hospital in Sasia Faso me be kani nyina wa ha. Happy 90th birthday and Mrs. Christiana Ama Dogbe. Indeed, now we class 4 teacher at Roman Catholic Primary School Somanya in 1972. Mommy, I say one no ni brofo there. In fact, ne koye pa one me at Tibrofo. And a nipo de buy say, thank you, Mrs. Dogbe. 90th birthday pa. Mommy Ubenyache. We Efi Asante Dakon, Director of Energy Consulting and Telco Business, ECG. Mommy, I say happy birthday. So we student Abe Director of Energy or ECG no Kaiwa. That just say at the chair now we treno. We train ye pa. Because do na every school no refer mo teachers among Kayomo. Mommy, I'm some drink on. Mrs. Christiana Amadogbe, happy 90th birthday to you. And happy birthday to Mr. Eric Bako or Mantrak Ghana Limited. May the good Lord continue to pour his rain on you. Keep soaring from your dear wife and children. I must say happy birthday, Mr. Eric Bako, Mantrak Ghana Limited. And happy birthday to you, Mr. Nicholas Kofi Arthur or Mescline. Our tema. Happy birthday to you. I was here uti Adom 106.3 FM. Dwaso Nsem Jumedie. Within the Asempa. Ye kwa ba ye ba Pantai Hospital. Developers monye maso neba.
Franco Trading Enterprise still phone Papa Fie, Samsung near, Nokia near, iPhone near, say our printers, mobile phone, accessories. Franco Trading Enterprise offer our no TV, digital television set, this satellite, any ultra panels, and bomuma.
Franco Trading Enterprise, Facebook, Sauko Franco Trading Enterprise page. Nasa likes number 100,000. Ayomwa, Edu Muniga, Samsung at www.francotrading.com. Android app, Franco Trading, Instagram, at Franco Trading. Nani Pabadi Fuadosunti, Franco, the Momo Pay code number 189480.
Your branches on the Bebre Wagana baby, Nemum, head office on the Twaya Dabraka, opposite Roxy Cinema.
Hacho, Franco, any Accra station, any MT and the DNMJ. Also, Wabay Eco Bank, Accra, opposite Menaba building, and a La Paz and Suye opposite Tema station.
And now for your numbers in Nani and Chauntum 0246 422 338 and at 0546 133 188. Franco Trading Enterprise.
Still, phone Papa Fie.
And you're not going.
Adom
Monday and Wednesday on Adom FM. If you think it be false, and let that be true, come and remove your mouth. Who wants some now, baby? You wanna, your mother they forgot. You wanna, talking about Gaza. You wanna, come and remove your mouth. You wanna, who wants some now, baby?
You wanna. I was here 35 minutes after 8, but you are not edusono. Before you be break and make a chance here bar. Developers a kwanya modi Pantai Hospital in Sasia Fasono. And then me be bubo munyina mudiwa. Any so-called judgment that musimanya. Enti asasino mutwa na me in fact. Munda ni the FM but the kwanya modi Sasia Fasono. Yebeka Asempa. I'm first that can see my DDT. On the bay one song, I did it with a guy. What it? Put it be together. You be too much. We are sharp. I do want to precope. Now, I was your message. Oh, the Pantai Hospital. And then you Gina Hopper. Now, developer number 1. As a member, Kabi, Yami Mami Yamajuma, Miss Yao. Developer number 1. Massa. Mamin can letter to the president first. Now for member developers no so. Mamin fancy unions the omo yeah. Just say emwaye biamba a developers no kwa no bokoso. Ensase na any my goodness. Obeka sasase besawo wiase. Said ya from no pa overnight na development musi daya si motre e chipe motre chi no musi daya si wo because assassin no aban bo ho ban ye war keke amombeto just monto war to secure the hospital assassin aka to war never bought staff any workers or more buying and it's wedding na owa e kayen na nkrofo wiayen na langase tutuo consulting room na bullet edu ho consulting room na catapult obi atwim emnim de kakra okokua no ma onim se ogina hospital or team ward obo se bo no cry na lande ward and no any de ekposo wo pantai. Mr. Minister, Honorable CKwasi Asempa, you experienced it, you saw it, just a war. Ebesine. And your money be a Hawaiiana aya, ye can say ya, Obejambe Case, Susuba Abayechi, and no crown a year hameno. And no crown a year ham, a binding basso now, Bessia Bebonechia, on Yadepa. Pantai Hospital is a hospital, a 7 Crawford to Dwana, a team Crawford. It's a place, go and look at it. And shamefully, in Penifo Shechiri and Asasia Kwame Nkrumah Jeto because Kwame Nkrumah Conti, one Makama White and Amodi Year State, a develop it. Sisi Adaya Kessie, ye Behaya Masia G, Assassin Mariano, Mudia Sidino, ye Behaya Masia G, Skakessie, as a Mudia, Damubotomania de da. Developers, Mebubo Mudiene, the Muntie letter we answer. Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association, Pantine, local. Ghana Medical Association, Pantine, local. Physician Assistant Group, Pantine, local. Mental Health Nurses Group, Pantine, local. Health Service Workers Union, Pantine Branch, Pantine Hospital. Letterway, dated 15th June 2020, last year. His Excellency, the President of the Republic, Kreta Wena, Unions na mabobosono omotrokoma o mampani. Dated 15 June 2020. His Excellency the President of the Republic was a letter of notification on issues of encroachment and presence of armed land gas at Pantine Hospital. This letter was addressed to the President and taken to the Presidency. 20th June last year. What has happened? Mr. President, good morning. Before I met toilet and so cry, Mampani Wadaruma, Besemi new din komokakra. Mr. President, he himself will swear oath as President of the nation. Constitution, no, as a boy as President. Now, Mr. President, Bambono granted the same baby and a bedu. But there are some essential service providers. Omobambo di enisi ya totonasi because ye yari ahefa ne yeko hospital ya hodudu ya straight hospital Pantine Hospital nyesi me see because my visit ho metako and a hospital like this, Mr. President, that's a staff any workers or muwo omusu yo, Mr. President, omuchro krata abreo said ye air kosu wo honi wo minister Honorable CKwasi Asempa to V8 echo V8 no krade no ko na essence 3 asede echo ekohia omo eni omo kasai eni e bohye ne de the tekrema so de pa kan de they said they overnight. Mr. President ye ba beto war afa Pantine Hospital na wo de o won po de be kan say ya de natural enti wa wonam na wo kokawa wo de ye mfa ne sansa Mr. President ba se kobrani be fatuo say asasi ho me koti ho na ya tututuo by heart omampen Bowra Hospital because war bi anda ho yinim say baby a war da de ufuri war na osima yetumi pa okronfo but say war nda ho dia no man's land kwabani to me call hospital veranda so anajo no akoja ne na yesi ho no call me na me call no war. Mr. President, nurses were what ombetia kunkroi na ebo abeto ward ho because land gas into question Crawford to tobo. Doctor were consulting room, Mr. President. Nani betina bullet kunkroi ni table so last make no bisre. Doctor bema netinanim or co prescribe a drone or throw bapping for a drone in my bema. O could do pharmacy or share now other unyim as a doctor na trauma me go back your friend doctor na I'm sorry ahopopo me 20 doctor yem shishino go chopping for a drone in my bema son kotono. Mr. President, how How can we live in a country like this, in this 21st century, a hospital without a wall? Near Yeshahai, Minimsa, or Minister of Health, or Kobai, Wabekachewa. And the developers, Koshadi, Kosumisi, and Nami Babubodin, they may kind let any Mr. President, next one ye ding. Emrason, to the name and shame, no, you're starting fear. Why? Why, Mr. President? Why? Pantine Hospital, Pantine Hospital, and Keho, the hub of mental health. Pantine Hospital, Kwame Nkrumah Susuye. No, see the hub of mental health. But several years, Yansha de Pantine said the Ejija. Nankrofa Fumunsa Sinina. Esisi daya kesiye mortuary echi kwabrane esi dan wo ho health hazard na minim mo amoso ma permit sem krofo esisi dan no mortuary echi pe environmental health. Where are you? Muja kwabrane se onfa ne residence ensi mortuary echi na se we nyame anya wadom asori anajo na saman bi hwu asumu a Kabehu se mortuary echi yensi dan mo hosa. How can we do this? Pantine Hospital na ejijano. And we are here. The clinic said the health sector, we want to revamp, we are doing this. On Mampeni, agenda 111. Hospitals na wo babesino. Anya nkawudie. Sesi kana wuchano. Kakaka yemfantu wo mfa Pantine Hospital. Pantine Hospital, you upgrade to be a #1 hospital crank and chain. Can go there and see the kind of facilities. Go there and see vast land. The bio mesre ya no ya na ya dwin ya dwinseng. Kwame Nkrumah ya motorway. Ene da ho no. Odwin hwe kan. Odwin hwe kan se mamintin sase bi gu ho Pantine. Na yesia ye besi ni sei. Fly away Peter. Na chi omehwe na chinsase ojigu ho. We try the year washing bay. We try the year drinking spot. Pantine for 5 p.m. No mapon. Outpatient department. Won't call after 5 and call 2 B. So check your temperature. I say Debbie. Because 5 for boy, yeah, workers no mu Johnny, Akofie, Omanpeni, Bato. They are running away from the hospital. Or do fientem ansana on am kwanso ya attackino. Elsewhere, a health worker. Wa pompa o chesi akofa trotro basi si ho opon ya movie no kama ya bone ho ba protecting no emergency aba doctor onika hospital nika doctor ne chesi trotro gidi chesi trotro okofo na trotro na beye ubesi wa ha wagina by the time a doctor be do hospital say send nipa we so wu no wa wudada. How can we do this to ourselves? Pantine Nsem na making. I mean, can let any we na fe developers. We starting from Udin Tuja na yenhwe. The Modi Pantine Hospital afaso no. Yambo boss. Mr. President, 20th June, and I let you ba wasye. I say dear sir, we the representatives of 5 local unions no mabo boss no ewo sro ho no, right to notify your office and plead omampeni ahakwa na emede no omusi plead kotoje gufam insa dansayem pleading to the #1 gentleman in this nation. Omampeni yenim se wa abadaye na nyambe du yeso ye ebi nsu yeso ye Pantine fo sufra omampeni and plead for immediate action, as we have noticed with great concern the escalation of the following activities at Pantine Hospital. Omampeni omobo bosso. #1, demarcation and encroachment. And the facts are there. Facts are sacred. Go to Pantine Hospital today. Negotiate the level of encroachment. Go there and see for yourself. Why? Presence of armed land gas. #2. And Omampeni, that is also a fact. Kwa behu omotiti motorbike so macho men etio no kraya no munya fini etio kuta omo no eto da kra me hu se bi kra police for in this country, but yet they have it protecting lands. Aden assassin what the crime person a fire we see udanya. Do you need a land guard? Do you need a land guard to protect assassin? But do you need it? Ubesi dying peacefully no way wasumu job. A dying kakra wusi. I just see a bow beat you. A dying kakra wusi. I just see a bow biakuno. A dying kakra wusi. I think macho men. Be 80 every cast assassin wusia. De bia. Na wukura sika wo de mama chomeni de bia. Amampeni point number 3. Sand winning. Number 4. Unauthorized heavy duty cars using unapproved routes in the hospital. Me ba be ka ade we ho pa. Na number 5. Poor roads in the hospital. Enumpo de minja. E kwan da chinya me beye. But unauthorized heavy duty cars using unapproved routes in the hospital. Omampeni. Good morning. Hospital let us say pantai. Yanche yeni anuma sabi. Omagi makomo kaka mu hobby. Not these heavy duty vehicles. And in nam hospital nim diakoniaba ni nam musa because there is no war. There be titles many abre, Mr. Honorable, Nyabutrema many abre pa. Honorable titles Grover many abre. The person measure Ukraine sa be mo body and best make coming. Na Pantai Hospital said yet. Na kasi eko twa yiti pinsi no moba said your munam hospital no mweni grr chifemusa kolebu ya wole 37 ya wole aden ye ntimi wole Pantai aden na bibia ya ban bia echesa e be charge se enkrofo bu eye nanka nipa 5 Articulate kesi atwa form so wa they died in line of duty and will take up their bills and will convene your job yakosu chichani musu akere family no amomo kose you die your V8 and forget it yasa your refi forget it promise be a promise a better plans aba na yasa omampeni. Good morning Mr. President, let omode ba say we plead oh Adia Wimpunke was so pleading. Mr. President, they don't have to plead, but I'm pleading. Hospital bind the to war for her. They don't have to plead, but I'm pleading. And the health minister, I'm not going to my call. So I plead you be a man. You see, they know V8 no. Gina ho. Hey, ultimus and fifra V8 no. A jack ryan a VA casa the dead no sign them and a poor. But the workers there, they are suffering. They are dying slowly. And kakran. Mube posting ko for Pantaya. Omampeni omeka se yentimi nko. Because obias Roman enkwa. Why? Why can't we protect the staff and the workers ewo Pantai? Ko Pantai kitchen. Ye duania gra. Etio esu. Speed. Mamini pe baby ate. Okoto jem ejase no ayam sisiye omosori anopa no mo kwa adwuma ayam sisiye okwa nyina awrade bom Ghana nkon na ye de bibia awrade wotena ka mu ko babia ubesu afra awrade saa wo kodu awrade medase elsewhere wotrem kra wada okwa adwuma asomdwe kwan so in fact kese odone da wodi kwa adwuma no udu adwuma no mu a say patients are wo or dampa so kra eseria wodi hia no kra ne ho atonoko bako Pantai kwhwe onu obanyina na dwendwen eso because onim say langas ambona obi betobo obi antobo a owo tumi ba word beka nti agya nurse ni obewo panie nyina wo hwe nachi baby eni so de panie hye no de akowura ho of one in time no adwane akọ. Why must we do this? Within the Asempa uti Adom 106.3 FM Dwaso Nsem Jumedie be you ano now to the developers. The CNM Babubomudin, developer number 1. And none of your call name, Aquabia Koshana, Asempa, Meti Seb, yo, Udimbama, Udia Bra. What do evidence by Mamma Quatina? I'm some family evidence in Shiao. Nafe. Oh, for your baby. Mama Minya Majuma, Aslamo. their messages now mo send nam me nyama adwuma wo de ma me fan todwa ma me mbobon wie me bo wie na in fact I mean mbobon wie me bopa developer number 1 wona ade akrania wona last ye baye wo be hia yen wo baye na do boys na wo ti Adom FM na wo ye me ye din hwa wa na msi okay no problem fa wo asase na wo hye ye odia no fa ho nkrata bra afi na wo ye judgment 1748 judgment 1840 fa nkrata no bra enye kasa keke bring it because I have all the evidence here. You see Adom u pushia u back our evidence with videotapes. No one said no crane on the can. You are not leaving any stone unturned. Medin Dia Asempa, my bomidin. Because I have the evidence. In Sasia Muchano overnight. Bianfa Sase Mauko na beyi say la na dia ndiem bwem na families ebo call ya man kakra. No mo so mo agree on my release langas amount. And ajo no mo jana ye developing crew dia betting ye ku crazy hodada. You see die overnight. Ada ye bay for. Masa Mohammed how they mate. I say I can't went here or they mate. But honestly, and then I may process, but it will not happen. Because here cause you a pantana ya a hamakuma. Pa a hamakuma. What is this? Why? What is this? We are seeing funny a deco. Why? What is this? Hospital. Just a baby moba hospital. For Shenkola hostel or mudem e wo pantai ho na
Adom FM
Bisha but I met us watching I'm fancy here because the kick I wanna there be fanyum no too mami na the kosu wo pantai no wo de ochina be listening in a betuga. Na me the tuga we are. Yashe. I was your Nyame Asum King Council do a feed to Adom 106.3 FM. Dwaso Nsem jemedie anu asugo so awutie Medin Dia Asempa ye call for quick break ye babaka Honorable Titus Glover watena se ye ba
It's time to believe in you. We are changing, so should you. If you're dreaming, don't be afraid. Keep your head up high. Like a dream with Puma drinks. Puma, yeah. Believe it, you can achieve. Puma, oh yeah. Clap your hands for the whole new vibe. Make me set the place on fire. Oh yeah, come alive. Let me hear you. Puma drinks, a whole new vibe. Another quality product from Casa Precon.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Yes, the Plan City Extension Project is still ongoing. I was so with me, senior fear. Now, so that I'm a hotel. Shannon, so sending go Pram District Assembly, supported by the Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development and the UN Habitat. One say, I bring another so hofit in net, Kopim Busumi match. Did they talk to your Sabako? Apply now and own a home. After a new council will officer Ube joining African Housing Cooperatives for niche Plan City Extension Project. Free 05555 30300 and 0577 91101. Last number 05570 54635. Website newaccra.city. Plan City Extension Project, shaping Ghana's urban future.
That first whistle is more than just the start of a football match. It's the start of friendships. It's you screaming your lungs out. It's the joy of your team's equalizer. The exhilaration of scoring the winning goal. It's a sigh of relief after hearing the final whistle. It's celebrating your team being crowned champions. That first whistle is just the start of something priceless, where you don't just watch it, you live it. MasterCard, official sponsor of UEFA Champions League.
Me track ne me bibia o nti enyanse de bia ejina ne na so wo bow engine ho ban free efia abwa pace wo engine mu a ebo ma ne bo adwuma yie pa sa pepepe now so me ne dia Shellfuel Safe Diesel nam Dynaflex technology so aye no e wo abefu nu a eyi fi bia ma wo engine mu da ho na bo adwuma se ne se wow we dia Asempa me hwabo ma me engine mu da ho na ma me track no so nya bambo ma power kwan
so nam Dynaflex technology so aye Shellfuel Safe Diesel for front say e be wo engine abo adwuma yie drive because Shell station bia e ben wo ekoto fuel a ebo engine who ban free efin ho no go well.
It's time to believe in you. We are changing, so should you. If you're dreaming, don't be afraid. And in the valleys, keep your head up high. Like a dream with Puma drinks. Puma, yeah. Believe it, you can achieve. Puma, oh yeah. Clap your hands for the whole new vibe. Make me set the place on fire. Oh yeah, come alive. Let me hear you.
Puma drinks, a whole new vibe. Another quality product from Casa Precon.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Swap in a Philly, swap in a Philly. Bring your regular free-to-air decoder to any Electroland outlet and get the brand new HD Plus decoder for 100 Ghana cedis only. Enjoy your favorite local TV channels in razor-sharp, high-definition quality, 5 times clearer than SD. Philly on your HD Plus decoder. Even more interesting, you will enjoy the first 2 months for free. You don't need a new dish if you are already receiving the multi-TV signal. Visit hdplus.com.gh for more info. HD Plus, the Philly experience.
Ima no cleaning service ni.
Ima, mini me kunu ye ko Dubai yo.
Hey yo, come out buy and fly akwentu na. Nipa mienu betim dia ko Dubai no ana.
Ani, into your bags no. Cleaning a gold standard. Why? Fasika kuko kakra pizza sauce. It's a sex for no who you see wo chromo.
Any ya boy, Camel antiseptic buy and fly to Dubai promo. E toso bi ensa no. Unity. So Camel antiseptic semna so no mu bia. Scratch the panel no so. Na text code a obehu no. Ekwo 1393. E wo network bia so. Na win akwentu e many pa mienu ko Dubai na otwi bia. And I'm going to so many airtime, campus, and you're Camel buy and fly 3. COVID-19 home running now, so you may so. You may get Camel cleans, cares, and protects for healthy skin. FDA actually said getting country manager to say, yeah.
Good morning. It's breakfast time. Start your day with Indomie.
Machio, anobody Jim Reno aso for Indomie, so no pass.
Can't do it like you.
Indomie instant noodles. Tastes great.
This advert is FDA approved.
Onia, Safi Fufro yasin yo na frokosro DSTV so. DSTV at the entertainment bebria wori we bushia peno ebrel. Enti ya krado na DSTV de ube frokosro ankasa. Here the football akukudam, local drama kona kono, and in shows probably na ebremo. Enti onia, a free 14th January, copy 31st March 2021. Nya ube ya nisa ube upgrade you DSTV package no akwa niya wonenim. Na DSTV bema package ya ebra no so awuntia bibia. Eye koko kra. ATM fund say who access here to your family package pay na DSTV bema o compact free. Follow ye hashtag no DSTV step up for more and after ye 0302 740 540 DSTV. It's your moment.
Yes, Pio, Nia Junior Mwachile.
Pio, whatever.
Yes.
Now, you see, I made you shampoo, wouldn't it be?
Me wanting in a
Moshe say cool.
Nadia, and say cool.
Say cool, not terminal water, you so project a Council for Scientific and Industrial Research. A yes, CSIR, Water Research Institute. Aye, and Yanakra. So, one more, we move to form. Na a kama.
Na a hen, I mean,
cause a cool, not terminal water for us here, one man can sing go, Kufodia soon,
kwantempon so say yes sachet bottle eno no wo size nyina bi enti fra won 02690314110 ana baby a woto nsu bia wo benya bi say cool natural mineral water
absolutely refreshing.
FD ahwehwe say dwede nkrato yi magye atomu say eye.
Swap in a Philly. Bring your regular free-to-air decoder to any Electroland outlet and get the brand new HD Plus decoder for 100 Ghana cedis only. Enjoy your favorite local TV channels in razor-sharp, high-definition quality, 5 times clearer than SD. Philly on your HD Plus decoder. Even more interesting, you'll enjoy the first 2 months for free. You don't need a new dish if you are already receiving the multi-TV signal. Visit hdplus.com.gh for more info. HD Plus, the Philly experience.
TV see Phantom and saying na enim say ni papani fobi nam control say airpon decoder sa every multi TV for aseye multi TV decoder ya dia to mo prekope aye quality advanced S2 decoder as syndicated capture ejaba bontin ni boane aye 150 Ghana cedi per aye full set satellite dish LMB any decoder nankasa quality advanced S2 decoder eno ko na wota ya ma warranty at the peso put me upgrade no emma obi fa so kwa na no chenchena enye dia multi TV ebaji sunsan so every decoder wakoto a yanyin tumu no ho steelers any installers a moton decoders a enya papa yanyin tumu every multi TV for aseye no siensa kama ya bachemo na emra ni mwadi to papa no aye fa no quality advanced S2 decoder ni bono so 150 Ghana cedi per aye free syndicated capture for aseye
TV for free.
Yena ya football fans papa. Now so sports are from you ho ameni jihu ye. Ti say tennis and basketball. The niji semni say Betway mobile any online sports betting and the sports casino games, bet games and any kika ho bebre. Abom platform no so obetimi atwa ho bets. Every football, roulette, e-sports, kosi horse racing so. Se obetimi bet e wini ajiusika amunu ho ahyehyehye. Go mobile money so. Ana ye de befa EFT so ato bank account mo. www.betway.com and the year na tiwagro kaina betway nyansemo woni if you don't watch ya entwebi betway agudie no huduntra gaming commission of Ghana and Sashase
Adom FM 106.3.
Only God can stop us now.
106.3 FM.
So far
Well, it's about 7 minutes after 9. Dwaso Nsem Jumadi was to go to Adom 106.3 FM. It's here now, they were figure to me watching. As we drink what and never quit your chenra. Dr. Pablo Osiso Fire. Mami from an interim. I was shy Osudoku District Assembly. Mami from CKwasi Asempa. Any happy birthday in Chia. And from Madame Adelaide Corey. Auntie Adelaide. Oh, what day? Auntie Adelaide, I'm here. Auntie Adelaide, under your head of Business Advisory Center, Shai Osudoku District Assembly, Madam Adelaide Corey, happy birthday to you. Where if you Cornelia, Cornelia, what do you make why? And as well. And of course, staff are more Shai Osudoku District Assembly, you know, me chairman and pay. Amenda Masibebre, Zedani Daniel Mutie. Medini Asempa. Larissa Rua, good morning. I was your man phone called Grace Homeopathic Clinic, why? Grace Homeopathic Clinic, a leading homeopathic clinic in Ghana. Grace is a buy a share debut. The Bachelor Young Jew scan Joshi, general consulting free. May can be another free as also. Laboratory service free. General body scan, fast also. Physiotherapy, fast also. Dietary counseling, fast also. Umpe win up a day. At Grace Homeopathic Clinic, Oba. You will hear any drug better. Edianom. You were Madina catch your ball last stop. Friday 055-618-1666. Ube to this referee 020-006-7500. Grace Homeopathic Clinic, a mission from God for humanity. Latest from your partner for life. Latest form and a sofa papa bi aba. Open sofa see office and a few 1 seater and 2 seaters. Open L shape donana. Bacho mention baby. Kala bia open bia ubenya. Now what's the matter? What you say? My goodness, I feel matina konyam. Very durable. Now we shall finish in the crowd to say way any papa. Latest form, your partner for life. Bacho show me chia kwa neko pebito. Tax ben abese wutia. Bacho ko CBG Ghana. CBG among krabata bia okoho na wutia wo taxes with them. Them dear declaration so may introduce the most easiest way I would be our taxes. Custom duties, GRA taxes, Environmental Protection Agency levies, Ghana Standards Authority levies, Food and Drugs Authority levies, and a mudia he. A bacho, the here what dial star 222 hash. Tia mami, star 222 hash. After would them, see our taxes why, me and from Mambapa. Open to Chimam Bacho for 0302-216-000. CBG, we stand with you. Didi mame. I said I can see come MTN if the 2nd of April. But anytime I'll become a agent to be a home. Now what for national ID card, the Kuta, where to me your transactions in a very safe and secure manner. MTN said that's why we go together. Just Momo 8 everywhere you go. India Asempa, good morning. Honorable Titus Glover. What's I say? Honorable, the Bible Cordia. Yaminti say, me try one appointment to a bad bay, maritime. Oh, quad bay. Hey, yeah, what in oh, come maritime. Oh, quad bay. Oh, one apple, baby. Oh, what wouldn't you say? Oh, come maritime. Nenti dabe na woko. Oh, yeah. Oh, come maritime. Oh, but just see and fro ye. Oh, honorable. Oh, yeah, sure, see and fro ye. Oh, yeah, and fro ya see my catch. It's a maritime. But a bar will be some.
Me will have said, Mekasa. Emma party any Montpellier Kufadu buying for now, and then I may say.
But yeah, the Mawa will be some.
Oh, why not? Send me a dipper. August number 55.
Okay.
So, vibrant.
Oh, yeah, very young. I want to know
country and the president. And they say, I be used to Cressa and number 2. About baby, I would be free there. I am Mukakra. And the Mumayam woman penny na the Duma pa. Or the small money, you have one because or you be a minute and anti-ache. Meaning, Nakuma say, a person small man, I'm a dachi, senior, or Montpellier that for your boarding, we be away, or no see a kind. So, no, Nanado, obedi Montpellier Kuyano, like Macassia say, and Odia or the Jabana mine. So, it's a duty, a godly duty to assist and support him. For him to make the best decision for this country. Because
it is well.
Back at the other end.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we had a good time. And Adom platform is very powerful. And I'm not surprised that you can hold the fort and do the best.
It is well.
I wish you all the best.
Amen. Amen. Mr. I wish you all the best at maritime. I wish you all the best at maritime. Amen. Never been. It is well. It is well. And the honorable, they say, we are doing out of parliament. You know, yeah.
Seriously, I have a small private office.
Okay.
By training and profession, me a labor and HR consultant.
Okay.
I hold masters in comparative labor relations.
Okay.
Before I now member parliament, I be a small consultancy.
Okay.
Nadia Day, and this is same home office.
Okay.
But for now, I'm dedicating myself to defend the achievements of President Akufo-Addo's government and the party. Na yɛhwɛ kwan yɛbɛfa this 8-year cycle, 8 term. I want to break it.
Oh, okay.
I'm a typical grassroots person. Na to me, enye jumading. I'm a jumana President Akufo-Addo. Why on? The Obabe di nejire no. Obabe di Dwaso. Me kai say in the 7th Parliament.
Yeah.
Ene tembia. Medi kama mincha utifo.
Jim FM.
Mincha utifo nina woni nyaswa.
Yeah.
Woni etiye. Maybe my primary school classmates.
Primary school.
Classmate, class 1.
Wow.
1972.
School bay.
Should I say primary school?
Oh, okay.
Site 10. I mean, the T benches.
Wow.
We've been friends for close to 50 years from childhood. Na also Tio, maybe I'm in Chap in Chelman. Nadine the Mrs. Genevieve. Na Kwoko, also Kwachi. What site 7cc Avenue Kase.
Wow.
She loves listening to Adom.
Wow.
And more especially you. And he na me dem put America.
Now Kasafa a party for communication. Yeah.
So I'm back because this is one of the things I've been doing when we're in opposition. You know, and let me give a thumbs up to Adom FM. Because I said Mr. T Rudy Juma back in Tema, Meridian FM, testing Adom na dia if you're prepared,
yeah.
When you're kuma Vim lady, baby, you will be an Yamisha. Or catch him is a brappening platform now was no. Even though what shall say,
yeah,
the person we do bad to my FM. Sabra no more Nako fashion so on. And on me share Minia, what a day in Jinsel. He gave me that latitude. And no, and the Jume. Shasia, Kasaya, no man FM, no Joy FM, not the idea. In fact, it gave me a lot of mileage. Who got Despite Group, Peace FM, and I did my best.
Yeah.
And I'm to be sorry 5 a.m. Me do feel about best how much 12. Because me to be about 12 radio stations from morning, afternoon to evening. At the point in time, I mean, if you could take a crossfire, and I'm a copy, my seminar, those days, not the back, and no Musaka.
Oh, okay.
And I'm a copy Jack Daniels.
Oh, okay.
My name is the cook for me, no be that. Yanum Zubi, and Radinia as a back. The do studio, if you could take crossfire. Let me bring in a season. Hey! Easy. Now you see your level. And it was all a lesson, you know. And I love speaking on radio because radio no sabio and yeah opportunity ya better mo fidie so no. Let's just say what been seeing when I won't hear. And a lot of in-depth knowledge on issues. Sebi nipa no kra no se unko school da na drink kakra obechira kra no eboa and the good in the edima atifo ni atwafo nyina enti I have great respect to all your listeners and the mama sunyama bebre and the party communication it was say we are so enriched with your fact now who kasa di babontin sometimes there are people who are talking but they are not communicating as about that who said kasa no kasa but I was say one of mutie no asem na wo ka no emudo na wo cheche mu ye no mutiase ama wo mu nyama o mampeni eni na ban eyo and this is say no mabai I'm only coming to support and complement the efforts of party communicators together with the Director of Communications na yemboa to market and sell MPP na President Akufo-Addo na djuma na oyem obetwaso manayo back in the Ministry of Transport like I said working under Minister Siama has been so well and fantastic because we share Nyama here, for example, we share the ministry perspective. Mimi Fimpuano, Mina no more moving by minimum papeling now, or more before. Our generations have been part of this fishing industry. Now, we share a brand now your position, not President Akufo-Addo, or can say, Oba, the coastal belt. We share the strength of the gravity of the Atlantic. Say up for a Japadia, may come with Japadia. I'm talking about their canoes, their nets, and other things that are getting up and what motors that they're taking on. A idea a happy and you are chassis.
Jim FM.
Before you mean before Ministry of Transport, near your breakwater, and you come. Yeah, yet Jamestown, receive modern fishing harbor. Ubeka here. Not the
and more fias here.
Yeah, Minister Mamekwan, he gave me the opportunity to hand over the site to the Chinese contractor. And you can go there with your cameras. Namunko engage contractors, any consultant, including the Ministry of Transport Development they have made. Who got Central Region about 6 landing sites. Yayebi was fetted. Yayebi was senior. Yayebi was Mumford, a town after Pam. Yayebi was Mori. Your friend Mori. So
Mori. Yeah.
They go to Elmina itself. Who but Tema after Tema, the biggest fishing hub, Elmina in the Central Region. And so you see fishing hub, more than fishing hub. We will honor now. Would we need edge? In fact, we're trying to look at the Kunfi.
But honorable, more year when you know must start but we lose along the coastal belt. At the end, a touch man.
In politics, there are so many factors that comes to it. From my side, we've been told not to speak publicly because in the constituency and at the national level, a committee has been set up to look into what caused some of these defeats. So I don't want to speak publicly about these facts. But politics is made up of so many dynamics. You understand? Because me kaise Ibrana me war ministry hono. Me ama frafo ni bi no, o ba to check. I catch her and say sometimes light fishing no e idea wow. But the interest and the understanding of buying a light fishing no e be poa e fe ne say abufo no. You understand? And the kakra me kan say ye makwan a ye conserving nam no say no mo wo e wo no mu ye je mu kakra because they are attracted by these lights. And the Mr. me colleague, the Kenyan Minister for Fisheries, Honorable Maybe Sabakumsi, Amasa, like fishing, we can give it the fullest of the support. One thing about bois, I like fishing, there is a apufono that Tisna can fishermen for. Me can't artisan, me can't get wooden. They have an exclusive zone. But some of these industrial trawlers, they go way back into their zone. And the banners are not a hard. So one way I bet to have one I like fishing to make sure say yama industrial trawlers but we can only do this if there's proper policing in our waters. Ghana Navy before our position in a way so almost exclusive zone no more. That is one. Number two, sometimes the nets are use so employing. One net we use a gem go punuma a supernam including even fingerlings.
Yeah.
And nama fair ya woman a chomanyadoko. No one Minister of Transport, there was a video obedient my name. One of these industrial trawlers. Watching them, the number watching in getting it, yes, trading na a good. Wow. I was alarmed.
Wow.
I was alarmed. And now I'm not watching you. When doing from Basho. But all into the sea. It pollutes the sea water. And none are so sensitive. And the only thing one say they run away. And one way I bet minister I bet you bet one say, making sure that industrial trawlers nets no more use no. And nets I have prescribed I have a couple.
Industrial trawlers in animal fee.
Oh, industrial trawlers is every amanoni how many Ghana for your back one. They come and register to fish in our waters, which is allowable, But there was a near them a call. Now you're making sure say we protect because I can tell you both direct and indirect employment in the fishing industry is about 1.2 million. The longest stretch of our coastal belt is in the central region, from Nyanyanu all the way to Komenda. The second largest coastline is Greater Accra, followed by the western region. So the blue economy itself has a rich potential. The blue economy, which is the sea, has a rich potential. And for me, I'm ever ready to assist in any shape or form to let my sister and my colleague succeed. Because there has been a precedent. The first female fishing minister was Mrs. Asma.
Okay.
She did wonderfully well. And we are sure say she will go back and look at the notes and some of the things that she did well, including the male minister that have been there. So back to response to questions that they they look at some government policies to their fishing coastline. But we'll just sit back and watch, make our corrections, and we can go back to our people and make sure we're able to deal with them. But for me, I think say President Kufado, any if anything, Minister Siama, the infrastructure that we have laid there is also fantastic. We share a full time. Make us say, we share Adom Motors. Last year, the Makenu Beach, you're almost 122. It's not done.
122.
Adom Motors.
And I'm going to distribute here.
Makenu Beach, but a total about 13,000 was imported. The end is for the Banyana is less than 5,000. The highest of the Banyana is 5,000. But if President Kufado and the Afuli can get almost 13,000, it tells us that they have some interest in the development of the industry.
No, but I am more credible. By the end of the day, say a beko fisherman no want to see another challenge. Because we've heard about several allegations now. It could do a mopati for master now for your move chedi or baby. That's the sense in
Tema where I served. So Obi yes at the anyway at the blind side of the minister. But I know
but you were deputy minister.
I'm not in charge of fisheries. I was in transport.
Transport, yeah.
But when you say so be akojibi na okoye dia M4 we na say minister think say wuti consequence. So we be boni awuchire, how will you know? Nobody will know.
But one TB that.
I mean TB I didn't hear.
Really? There's nothing like that.
But what I want to say is that the industry at the point, even when you look at the industrial sector, government look into it. They made a conscious effort of government saying, you share the cost of it. It in your to their benefit.
What do you say is one of the reasons why Mulusi has to do with premix fuel?
Metumaka say, premix before and now, there has been a drastic improvement. You hardly hear of premix shortage. Say shortage a bar, ebiana dia yebekra dia bansana edi kalano, ebe kalano, and then ebe delay. But there is regular supply compared to the NDC time. I'm told, say, this from MPP time, no, a week, NDC will do almost close to about 100 trucks or so. But this has gone way above that. And which they say there's enough supply. But after for you, it also, what do premix be sources here? Ebesa. What the premix be sources? Ever ready to go to fishing? No more, but there has been drastic improvement in the supply and distribution of the premix compared to the days of the NDC.
Well, I was just about 28 minutes after 9. This is here now joining Awuti Adom 106.3 FM. Dwaso Nsem Jumedie. And also this Awuti, my guest, your honorable titles, Glover. Menino Echiche and come on, send the WhatsApp message for Bra 0556 748 029. 0556 748 029. Nation and Somame say the best TV I will be to me and the Philly experience HD TV, HD Plus TV. That is the best movie from that standard definition, Neko brighter high definition. They say that's level no near war. In the standard definition in the Indiana Fe, Unya HD Plus TV and Unya HD Plus decoder at the account home. Lemon Shannon say was to me talk from an authorized dealer. And no Electroland almost showroom Ghana ha ewa baby Urawa also me pay the Philly experience on HD TV. Fre on 0242 439-872 0242-439-872 and she shall be on the catch show. My body will not show as I say ubetumi rent a dine na abeya odia ubetumi rent assassin me doswefu na abeya odia. This initiative the Ningo Pram District Assembly, any of my partners, supported by the Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development, and the UN Habitat, and this initiative, Ediaba. I'm saying, can't you say, be smart. Now take up this initiative now, and wow, this offer no to a map to the 31st of March. That's the 31st of March, and they trim into Unyam Fromo and take here the initiative. But the numbers name out 055 553 0300 055 553 0300. Ubetumi swafre 0577 911 101 0577 911 101 and 0557 054 635. On my website www.newaccra.city. Plum City Extension Project, shaping Ghana's urban future. Honorable titles, Glover. Now, the constituency is saying.
Oh, so see, you're done the junker.
Oh, what they?
Because I lost the.
Jim FM.
My party now is an orphan. But for now, everything is on a low profile. There is no serious political event to be a cause. And you are trying to when the opportunity comes, then we'll see what we can do.
Honestly, I'm one person. In fact, I was very sad when you lost that seat, because that was a lucid tease. I just couldn't believe it. But you believe, sir, there was that wrangling between you and the regional minister then?
Asempa the kind can say, His Excellency the President has admonished us. Issues about party matters should not be discussed publicly.
But would you say now the regional minister here fight?
The constituency leadership led by the Novo Tetra Badiaba I constitute a committee. Maybe because or no chairman Nankasano or Koso. Some of the executives are Koso. And people they suspect who had a hand for us losing the seat, were all invited to come and share their experiences in the elections. And for now, me appear before the South Mafo committee. Their minimum air course, with their tuning minimum. And the mean years of Sebe. A sing any Tekamokrano, and do baby. But what is important is how we can rally together and move forward as a party. Yes, it they will take it back. I can assure you.
Really?
I'm telling you.
With titles?
Who will take it back? I will still go.
Over contested.
Oh, I will contest when the opportunity comes.
2024.
I will contest back.
And you are sure say you take it
But
back?
you see, whatever had happened is a lesson to all of us. So what is important is that they will move forward as a united elephant family to annex our seat back. And the Omonims and his volume says seat no and Yomodia. But the Abadi dear, a Yedusia de Mayina, Naina, and Yantra Fasua, so that is life. That is life.
The very last moment of campaign in Yadiano, me menya we may be sad because I don't believe in hearsay. Okay. I didn't think I may acquire arrested or dumpty.
And who can say a chatus or another?
In chatus or
yeah. Now, the timing of that arrest, Metmakase gave me the sympathy. I had no hand. On the assembly, no issue with regards to revenue mobilization contract be a cost in his time. No Nipana, no Nigana. Just after losing power, or to kind, Uniha, and the near Omni call Yoko no as the same assembly, the new MC no Atekiova. What did I make an answer?
Meteopa.
I took him to the Yoko. So at the time na Yoko for a Ben and Numu business, no Niha. And gentle of free abruche after COVID, restrictions on air travels banned there before the Katulo. What does it? And he said, who will be at? I will say, Muchino. Why do you wait 1 week to elections? Why do you wait 1 week to elections? Now, Asempa was so bizarre who say, now, Sebi, Asempa. So you do be cop or be what Tama?
Yeah.
East. That's your drink of courts. I won't cry. That's on to me on fulfill the bail bonds, bail conditions. Police station be in Ninkraha. There is something somewhere. I suspect say it was cleverly done to cost me. Because say what the Nipa court Wakra. That's what I was saying, or satisfying the bail conditions, not to me. There are so many police stations in Accra. I didn't really know about them. They didn't treat Accra. Oh, they went to Tama. In Tiasia. Me yabi campaign was like 17. And I'm in Yako. Say, the Esini. At the stand says the end is for Niama must say a lot of our properties, our billboards, party office. Toilet to be see here, Eddie Momankasa, they destroyed it.
Jim FM!
Now, they catch a them regional police CID. They should make sure they do what is right. Because a man is saying, that is where you must show leadership. Unprovoked. That's the NDC for I can say a Japadi baby. That is the difference between Ududu and Temais constituency. Baby, they are but me, when the pressure was on me, my people wanted to react. I said, no, you don't have to do it. 2 wrongs does not make right. And interest in me a coward. I only wanted peace. Because NDC
now when they orchestrate is
I don't know who caused it. I don't know. So to answer your question, I have no hand in his arrest. He has a problem with assembly about the revenue contractor or no muye and a yoko and a court.
When you're damn team, name for?
Oh, America say yes. Seriously, not me name way back.
I am seeing you now name no.
No, I didn't before I am seeing me name.
Okay.
There was one time I called Parliament around 2014 or maybe on the motorway. And I'm a little brother now driving to catch him say, I don't know what technical. And me roll my glass, and I'm a child. That was the first time. I mean, the other,
siblings. Okay.
But one of his senior brothers is married to my direct cousin.
Oh, okay.
Yes, peace. They're my direct cousin. But we are friends.
Jim FM.
And since the incidents, so we need more exchanging pleasantries. Where's she another?
Not of Michelle.
One friend and congratulate you.
Many number.
Oh.
I had his number when he was a chief executive on a different phone. But me use his phone review.
No, but at least being an opponent at the end of the day we're winning.
Oh, when I see him, I'll congratulate him.
Oh, but you could have called. Wait me any number. No afraid. Madam T, well, congratulations. But the seat, I'm coming back for it.
No. It's not late. Now, yes, or no, so you never know was saying, what has he done about it?
Yes, but at least when I can say 2 wrongs. Isn't it? And he said, what to me, yeah, what family dear? No, anya.
There's no problem.
You leave him to his conscience.
I'll congratulate him.
And he said, who answer? This day is phone. Covered in tea and shampo. But phone. Really? 24 John phone number.
I don't have a problem.
No, what friend?
Oh, yeah, I can call him. There's no problem. Calling, there's no problem. That's my brother.
Interest in politics, it is well.
Oh, that's so bad. Couldn't stay to that way in your world.
Oh, it is well. It is well. Oh, but me bumpy now. I mean, with Titus, obi the message about. I'll say, Asempa, good morning to Honorable Titus Glover. Indeed, he's such a nice gentleman. It's only that the people decided to show him, so they voted skirt and blouse, but he succeeded in fixing the roads.
Yeah.
Or fixing roads by
in fact, we share road infrastructure I went to my east. Right from opposition. Let me teach it. Me teach it pa unfortunately you ba power no. And I me call Honorable Makwata.
Yeah.
And I sure because onozo titema or you must watema. So he knows the dynamics in Tama. And to be fact to me, also say mebwa because clearly no development agenda no, but the constitutional architecture no. They members of parliament. Yeah, said yes.
Sure.
It is a role of the assemblies, but because of no ashai no and to many side by no. At the time, including the current one, I took it upon myself, and the studies that made lobby DHD. And he make I say now MPS4 over the end of the motorway. Because of the port expansion, now a whole motorway and a chokupa and don't be here BB to open up roundabout. Now at the time, so now Japanese grant be subaba. And the mini honor Makwata, any honorable Abaifa Cabo, any senior Use Dumi, and the leadership of the Highway Authority and Urban Roads, then Yakoho. But proud to the visit, and now Honorable Makwata catch him say, obey a road audit in Tamais because or call MPs be also on your opportunity and not share on Pesuaso road challenge the one other. Yes, I don't know. And now, we don't know any Tamais. So we started from TT Brothers.
Okay.
Oh, Cockbone Barrier.
TT Brothers. Great conjunction.
Constituency.
Oh, okay.
The heavy industrial area.
Wow.
And the fatty steel. And the tropical cable.
Yeah.
DVLE. All the way to top traffic light. Sapano ya yet no bit to me go tasana say because most of the heavy duty trucks in Yano omutafao.
Okay.
So motor when you see as was a plow, a dan, a hono, omoya detour. And I mean Makwata. In the middle of the journey around Temastil, no or stop here. And no catch him say honorable. President said onye
Jim FM
across the country. Now, per se, or shall see what the mice because Sapino on them Sakwana. Or first, said, me shall say the free. So that was how we had opportunity to get concrete roads in a year. There were TT Brothers, Tropical Cable, DVLE, all the way to. And now, you're 2 years idea. You will go and the X-ray, Tema Newtown, you're far tall. Echo far, Vaco football and so. And you need a rat Tema Newtown. That suburb is called Bankuma. 1960, I think 1 years ago, and he had 2 million from Old Town. We cut them at Old Town, Meridian Hotel, GMPC headquarters, Petroleum House, BBC, Committee 2, Cocoa Board, Jatabu, and you come to 3 side B when you're not a Mecrano, no one getting one, and year 2 homo 61 years ago, no, a year batamano. Sabab be fed Bankumano. Roda ye yam kuma ye ma yano, Ebianco. A bush. But there was one elderly man who Kumu, a friend at Tama. Benufosina, Neniji, a brupa, the best food ever. And it's not an Neniji Banguno, and they do Kudu Canadian. Okay. And to know Cochichi Crano, okay. Not Kota and Dusao. So it was in the era of Honorable, saying, His Excellency President Akufo-Addo and Honorable Carter entered those Glover. And I'm a tree. Between saying, at the call. And he almost about 70 price on the road. And the Honorable Carter, any Mr. Bass, Director of Urban Roads, Bankuma, Road of the Dina, any Bashamang Methodist School, Mark Hotel, all the way to Bakanano. Now, what you're not saying. And it was given to contract. And to contract, I know all we are 70% of Bankumano and only the rich Bank Hotel. But I can't ask for it.
Okay.
Chasing, lobbying for projects, and therefore, you need some special grace
to be able to.
It's not easy. Because you need a prison to be between their call. You can say no road, no votes. But consciously, I know how I talk to my senior Honorable Makwata, and let me take this opportunity to thank the president for me, to thank Honorable Makwata for me, to thank Elijah Abbas and the entire team of Urban Roads Department. Masa, me to be called Macmaco Transit hours just to get access,
just to get it,
to make sure say make sure nyaba. And the Adom, for the first time, Uber Tema New Tower, my asphalt, Yeshasiye. Every old Meridian FM. When you say when you tell me, old Meridian FM junction. I get the answers. Now say now before 2016. But Nyamiadom. But yeah, the asphalt. Ya secondary school. My secondary technical school. Then say. Sometimes I even use my own pocket money to buy gravel.
Wow.
Yes, I'm still doing it. But the gravel no answer the contract no e di grade and level ho nyina e di so e di and sign the asphalt na faso. Ya hear almost about the whole of Adom. And ye ba Ashaman so one area na that drivers na come so e wetema maya. E from Maya School Junction through Potami baby anrafo no 111 all the way to Bankuma. Na kwa na sekwa and it's what money no quota and che bia the say. Now, that stretch, is so broad, so wide. Now, as for the day, the day I wear Sakwano, and I'm a Daniel, I say, look, it's always good to be in power. Yeah. Say, near President Akufo-Addo, and what power, MPP are buying. Me say no wine. Me say no wine. And the year when you are so, and you call part of Ashaman. As for no was a new time, yebi, come to us soon, yebi. The baby, my year, dear Cono. We need to maneuver for the diano. We Kakrana Kano, with the back of one. And Wuba a station they cheer. Market Ninja Honor, Echo Dunkwa, area Hono, and also Manyanya Kama, back of the police station, Jericho Road, no so Manyanya Kama. Say you come to one. Come to one, ya Ato Drive, side 6, side 7, side 9, side 10, Yakaso. Yako side 5, the Kenke House Road, the Court Road, Yakaso. Then Yako Catholic Church. Side 4, side 11. And there's one Sakwan and Yakra. And then Yakasu.
Until we are weighing in the constituency.
You never make us here. Make us here, Minoka say, because the conductor is on site. Then you can say, hey, and there are 2 about Jerry, they said, my budget, Debbie. I still love my people. I believe in service. Unfortunately, I lost. Does not mean that. Maybe Papa be a woman who will say me, yeah, and the mammy mine. Mammy, yo.
We'll see by how many votes?
It's a lot. About 9,000 plus.
9,000 plus. And what did he say within these 4 years? We bet you me Juma too.
Oh, yeah, Juma. In America, it's an all internal issues that came up, and the committee I 1 year up on their reports. And we able to do it.
Before you can contest for a parliamentary election, I just say party, your vote amount. Mawabe ye PC, parliamentary candidate. Would you say vote amount?
Oh, why not? Why not?
Really?
I don't know what. Anybody can come and contest. Somebody going to come qualify to contest. And they will contest it now. And I know I'll get it. Surely I know.
You have that confidence. Then about that vim.
Oh, Asempa. Who's someone also soon with the fear of God and a genuine heart. In my heart of hearts, I know I've served my people. Those who knew, they said their tester is sending the by who attest to it. Me sumye, genuinely from my heart. But nipa die, I do maybe me who said I'm mukamuchi kasana. It happens. It happens. So I'll continue. When the opportunity comes in 2024, why not? I'll contest. I'll file because I'm qualified. Now being called parliament, don't lose some baby. Missing actually the avocat. One baby.
Abba.
Missing actually the Hassan Ayarga. Uncle Bio Uncle. He's come back. So it does not matter say you can go and fold your arms. The things that happened, you need to work towards that. And I believe that when you're able to work towards some of these wrongs that happened, why not? We can really come together and take the seat back. And the opportunity will come. And I'll file my nomination. God willing, when I'm given the opportunity, I'll continue to serve. And this is, I know you was side 21. All the Ofurunyaku Road. What do you call police station?
Jim FM.
Police station side 12, side 21. It's an old road as I said for the past 40-50 years. Me know say me am ko to kumsika. Me that talk gravel, ya level home.
Really?
I'm telling you. If you are, you be caught side 14 Anglican Square. You be here. You be side 19 two roads no. Near yes side 16 Mountain Drive road no so. Aya dia call. Me call side 20. And it's a very bad road. Old me abufra me nyinya na wonyana kota from but with time nyinya say under President Akufo-Addo and the Honorable Makwata, the contract has been awarded. And there was a mijao at the point where I said I cried. Yeah, and there was a meeting sequence.
Yes, because I was coming to say once I would need to know say a Jumabi Koswa. Obi Abedrin say
now I shall you swear the 7th January. You cannot win a contract within 2 months in office. And you make was it took me a lot of time to lobby and consciously follow up. Your man like I'm to be called regional office of urban roads. You did go. Me, masa, my bro. And the Samelusua, and you just MP now, Wabafro, or Nejuma Noye, and to make Yamano. And what's the transit? I mean, Jack Glory, no, President Akufo-Addo, and he titles Global Anyano, Nayan DC for. It's not possible. Many can say, you see 100-bed hospital funded by GMPC. I went and lobbied. My godfather is Dr. Kekesapo. I give him thumbs up. And yeah, easy. It is not easy. Because the first clinic, yet to be an free old town, Edibatimamaya, not clinic in Kamu. There was no health facility. At that time, not Pakistan Howards. The contractor no seat them Habono. Now the sick bay and yet a general hospital. And the Yanyana, but sometimes now we cook room, now we must send a taxes, I hear ambulance. People die in ambulance. Sometimes women who are in critical conditions in their labor. Because the facility in Newtown and need that sort of special equipment. Now they didn't know. They have to rush them in the thick of the congestion on the roads. And I'm saying, so our approach, GMPC approved for us. You attend the move from the assembly. And then a Jumano Busway and the Minjai. That be it's an achievement of President Akufo-Addo. And there was a meeting many ADHD. And Tim Gofia, we call grounds, we call road no kakra, now my hospital no kakra. At least a Jumana Eddie Bakromo. Bam. enkwara menye bi eye dwuma ubenya system vendors wo ubenya masons wo ubenya carpenters wo ubenya laborers wo even food vendors better about
if it all echo boom eka constituency
the boundary is around Alois.
Okay,
I think September last year we did a short cutting. I be share free toll traffic lights all the way to Onkrum. And I know the texter who sent whoever is concerned about that road.
Yeah,
they put their things together and very soon they'll move to site. Acquire that before Akumaso anytime I use for Akumaso, and I can assure them say the contractor in no time about one so I
well, I was about 8 minutes to the top of the hour. We were feeding to us, and some say about 10:30. A young point and community a fake cranny a bedroom. You have share the former Auditor General Daniel Yaldomelevu and a presidency letter if he by a CKwasi shortly and check. That's right, 6 minutes to the top of the hour. And the good old days. A.B. Crentel. Ozzy Angelina. Oh. And a happy birthday in advance to our sweet daughter, Hilary Amfo Asamoah of University of Ghana, Legon. Hilary Amfo Asamoah, happy birthday in advance to you. Where if the Amfo Asamoah family, Jakiti and Dansomani, I must say happy birthday in advance. Our sweet daughter, Hilary Amfo Asamoah, happy birthday in advance to you. Amicia Nanewa, the kitty of Rama say, hey, good morning. And I tell happy as some drink out. Nana Manfi or two bend the tag. Yakiti Hene. And of course, my main man, Ken Nanado, host of TV3 Music. Bro, good morning. Everything cool. God day we day. Onya mala the baby tiasia. Okay, Abusia Menini Asempa, Wuti Adom 106.3 FM. Dwaso Nsem. I'm having one-on-one with Honorable Titus Glover, and I settled down the constituency. Yesheboye. Honorable. And aside the roads, you know. I didn't be now, yeah.
My main roads in Kakro.
Okay.
But I realize some of the security infrastructure.
Jim FM.
Asphalt in the
okay.
And they do new town.
Yeah.
The never base Ankasa.
Okay.
From junction, I call lighthouse. 50 the back of the naval base echo to one yano ye the asphalt be go ye sense be the echo inside the naval base.
Okay.
From the officers mess nya ediba gate nano ye capture asphalt be ewo say no machine war urban health.
Okay.
Them urban head run about would when the edge fire set
machine wo where ye adwuma na park wo ho.
See a park ye adwuma, but unfortunately there is a problem with the asphalt machine.
Okay.
Down kakra for the past days until you see that they will move back. Now Uber Fire Service in Nimono, regional command of the National Fire Service of Temanoa, right from their entrance, as a Dibiakaho. And then on their frontage in urban labor office.
Yeah.
Yeah, they cut the mask. Do carriage, a hold account.
Okay.
Now, me person may be caught come to one police station, and they do 21 inside the police station from the commanding office in anymore. A call charge officer, and they call MTT for office owner, and they ask for maybe make the place more beautiful.
Okay.
What does it? Let's say the Navy, the Fire Service, and the police has been captured. It is not only the civilian areas in Grand Ebesho.
Okay.
Because they also matter. Now, can be about Nema Bill Namaye. Under health. Can be about hospital Namisin, the 100-bed hospital.
Yeah, and we see him for.
It's Tema New Town.
Tema New Town.
New Town.
Inside one.
Yes. Assassin Grand war on the ground may buy an in position. And Nameboa Mia. It was not easy. Na mami fa konya we so. Na Madam Fo, and name former colleague, Honorable Mark Owen Woyongo.
Okay.
Then MP for Navrongo Central.
Yeah.
Under year defense minister and President Mahama.
Yeah.
And the Sulu Council. And I'm a catcher and say, Tema New Town population is about 200,000. Now they be because he had center no any facility Papa Binti. Yet Nipa no Eddie nature come to one.
Okay.
Eddie Tema Hospital. And he was here in Yasa Sinibi. Na Yemfem Pick. In fact, Tema Manche, when you're the baby, you're me from the crazy. And the minister invited me. Said me be case before or no any high command. Because boy in Amania. I say me back me in Jawu Kwama Wuko. And to me kono on my delegation about 30 of his elders. I come home and you go same way. A chairman minister no a bass as unfortunately, I'm 60 feet out of about 250 feet.
Wow.
And I'm catching one of them. That's
right.
And Jabeni is son, and the Honorable Benjamin Kumbo.
A buy.
But I did Papa Babyano, Yamita Chili, your bar power, and I'm a call me senior Honorable Nitty War. Senior, I greet you well. And I'm a coming now. So I said, no, don't talk. Also, to an among a bass as and so. And the sister feet now, Honorable Maguyongo Mammy, also Mammy, additional 140, 150 feet. Quickly.
Wow.
And I mean, me second war health insurance, and I'm the travel to secure the land. It's a major breakthrough and achievement for President Akufo-Addo and myself and the party. And what East. First to secure the land. Because assassination, a puna fafa, vakwa fafa, maybe for no amzom the barracks. So we are engulfed in the center. So we are doing a vertical structure.
Okay.
So that is a major achievement under health. MPBano, your mouth be kakra for national health insurance. I won't find a little infrastructure. Mesikana me buano no. And then we got tema. There were only one national health insurance office. What Tema Central, Committee 8. Tema East, Tema Central, Tema West, and Yashama. Obibia or pen national health insurance card no. There was over Committee 8. They are born as a line. And then you can say I'm calling Oboko SS school. Once there was Obianya health insurance card.
Yeah.
And the Sika Minya, you know, with the C National Health Insurance Office. New one. In the clinic room, whatever new town.
Office, one room office.
And no, one room. It's about 3 rooms or so.
Really?
Would store. Now they come. And before my few power, my few officer, and I'm a Chirokoma chief executive, Dr. Johnny Selby. Now they come to equip it with equipments, computers, furniture. Now they will employ people. And Titama is for young Kotama Central. And none say where you work Tema East.
Masumanya office.
Permanent NHI office. I be Juma. Me bois with a common fund. Education. And send a free message as Mabano. As a Bayabio. Because
but your fees ba.
Oh, ninja is Christo. But three be papa.
Wow.
Ye three be and send a free message as a bandy.
Jim FM.
Ye three. But at the time, I be free one. Tertiary phone had benefited. Omunya school fees. And the so much. Will be a passing when you're presec, when you're prepper, when you're Western girls. Poor but brilliant. Support the free when you're the bomb, the I say sometimes when mom call fibroid operation, surgical operation. Yeah, I support in Moscow. Sometimes for the common, sometimes for my own pocket money. Because a bear say wish as a beer, Ninkwa, Edan in some. Because he lacks finances. Don't mean that you Saria. Why do you? There was a time, 2 students, back when you're Lego, back when you're tech, back when you read statistics, and back when economics. 2 young guys, I was at 20. Me committee me with TM, me who chief executive. Now me see formula, and a boy see approach me. No, see you. On my admission letters ni. Na on my phone niska on Boko school. Don't be srami. See me yard na me mbo na me call. No credit nyame anim. Na my exhaust me sika na work common fund account no. And I me catch up a bodyguard dance so on call me back no me worth I think about 2,000 4,000 bi. On yi sika mbra. On mani mo na me chase sika 2. Uji 2 na we suji 2,000. Mo fa na me call. En call kita sika no they was crying.
Wow.
Omo kita sika no. Omo kan ya na me catch na so abia ko bag no na 4,000 mami. And I be chase kan man kwala no. When nya wo ye e di support. Amadachi nkwala no a wo ye adoye dia ma wo no. Da chasemo. Because one day Titus do ba anane na bi. Sa doye ama ye yi. E bia na me hu di person mu akokire.
Yeah.
But because of that goodness you've done, and also be kana koma. No wa ye bibi dia ma. Mo show before elections. Papa be betra. And aneba when you're cancer of the bone. I don't know whether you put it.
Oh, me who saw pictures no.
Yes.
Me who pa.
Na me kwejuma.
Me saw pictures no.
And OPK or OPD. Or yes in the show no. And the middle and catch so. Mintie ya bo adum efe ni Tema East. So we're allowed. And papa started so kana semenya no. In fact na so atata. Na papa na cancer of the bone. And the Sikane one was so huge.
Yeah.
I didn't know as far back February 2020.
Yeah.
And I'm a friend to the show. And I'm a catcher on someone castle. I'm family bano and briefly. And I'm a poor Juma, my mother's round. There was a me bia me never wap of me ye diaqua. Ampa, we poor Jumano. Ye driving call, touch on the day. Bankuma. Maza, Bufano will soon. Bufano.
Me pa.
And I'm a catcher and Papa say, Namia Dumwa. The next morning, Mema party pick up no. I'll be fan on over Banina. Namusham with the Magina Hospital. I'm Pasha Dukoe or Kotama Bafano at Nishakano. Meduginos no Musaba. Mifimicanum Echo Fa, which no, a tribai. And a year of free party pick up no at the better which so Asempa you cry. You cry.
Because
Se papa no bia anka yare no enkanasa anase omba do mefam embe ya pay for funds. Until we try abofra do opid no necessary moment so you are here. I say yes because of my son. And Tema he pushing me echo doctor in the consulting room. And the doctor the catch me say honorable. I didn't nana ahu say football.
Me who pictures in the park.
O say want me to tiwa just a Jesus. And here you my referral. You my ambulance. And I'm a DHD. And I'm a friend Dr. Koboy. I'm so day, a Srawara. Buami Nami de Baba Biba. I mean, your doctors, I'm a shower for him for mommy. Papa need the ambulance now. Na me me drive and bodyguard yes wait. You na go sanachi. E die chisa. And no cry ye do kolegunu no Dr. Kubaya ring me na my.
Wow.
Ye ya bofra no. Oh, bafo. I wept that day.
Wow.
Unfortunately, not doctors in catch privately say, Yarian is in the you know, you be trouble Friday night. So we have to psych the boy up. You have to psych him up. Yeah. Eventually, he gave in and he tried the night. Sky tried the is between me and the father. And the many will say, cancer no ever not pop be seen say. And feeding nine will be seen here.
Hey.
But Abofana in Yamidia.
Oh.
We do some of these things because of the love we have for our people. We actually
Jim FM.
Fishermen for no.
Yeah.
Uba Newtown. Fishermen for no. There was a time Uncle liked fishing. You were about 35. I'm in opposition. I'm Uncle Sokania. And your couple. And the Idiomo court. Massey Jokremo. He's the president of the inshore Tema. President, you know, friend, how much me? Was I so one sorry and Kotema courts. I did bet one share, Wapu for 35, you don't go jail. Miso my day, yes, my so kanya. Because against the rules. So one go keep you mama. Maybe I say. May cut 2015 as a man neck you. Majority. Never could do court. A bomb ding near Fred. Near Fred. And the judge in no drop. Impossible body thing or your bar. And to try your pigeon into Nami Jaminaso. And I said, gentleman, can I help you? And he said, yes, my lord. When you are no more Jerry Sebi, Omoya before. Omoya come for. Apofunimbia or Timmy near me new Ekasado Bay. Set one couple and copen nam and fam bafom. And be yiri and tonwa or benefit the yin number. Accommodate him. He has no opportunity than to go to sea. He has no any opportunity at all. Because on the Bokrono. And you are going like fisher, Miss Srow, Madam, for my mommy. Let me know Munkofi. Let me know Munkokasa. Give them to me. Let me take the opportunity to educate them about life fishing, you know, the effects on the namno mugo you wapunumakasa. Asem na meka de kanje na kuma. No frame. Asema meka me nua peni ye fe na bra jete. Eni ni peni fo ni bi e ka me eni ye call judge na so. Na judge ne ka say, "E sama makanti." Obe ma asem ni da kofi de ye mfa fisheries. Wo batema committee tour, aba mame ho no fisheries from war research office bi ho. Ni ko ka asem no. Eventually they were fined.
Jim FM.
They didn't go to prison. I stepped in. I do baby na omna pronoso na ampo they are fishermen. I do na gapo security for kochio. Because illegally they are not supposed to go into the port.
Yeah.
But on the namachi na trap na
kochino.
Amako pacho. That Mr. Doko was the director of port. Also about proofing of young no. So one who will take care of them. Kakran. Need someone. Who cook a new beach horses here? Under President Kufu, and you see shed. And man, trans here, maybe na, and now your cochiba, your tongue ho, not the Adena. Under President Kufado. Any titles global. We were able to extend shedding to the back of the Chamu Lagoon. Now, and then you did the runta. And he decommunicated You see, this cannot happen under President Kufano and Titus Global. Because two horns, Makumako 10. And I'm fixing under the shades. And Tapufino Kita cordless and no Kasa. It goes round Ubiate. You are connected to Adom FM. I give strict instructions. Make sure you put Adom FM.
Oh, really?
Right there.
Jim FM.
Including COVID. COVID by President Echen and Duani, I also took opportunity. Echen Yama Bibri, sanitizers, Veronica buckets, tissue papers, liquid soap, and in Duani to make sure that people are comfortable. And if anything, loans in Kitingiti, they are this loan company here, stick up company, if anything, Maslow for a one change, Missum Kakrea, and be the support of man. So we did so many things to help the constituents. Me, share this, me, share PP. I have family members who are NDC, and they just are NDC, no, I won't do that. I help everybody. And that is why when you come, I don't discriminate. There are typical NDC spots in because they see me as their brother. They see me as their own because I'm a typical street. I don't discriminate. I still go to the public bathhouse to go and wash down. So what kind of person are you?
Really?
Yeah, I use. Ask them. Come to them and ask them. Me be a chakra. Because side 2, any side 10, on your woman, I have mates. Now they be a big catcher. Zango Moya walk side 1, this side 2. There was Chief Imam Kabibi let me say there was a report via Echo Zungu ministry then. A young capture.
Jim FM.
We was alarmed. And I'm saying minimum because side 2 this side 1 these are the main areas yes it my port na artisans no workers no e ho na no mate amu ye djuma wo port no and the support view now I was here bubu dan nyina the see modern dan yamba na fasa. So we have a Zango and the Zango have produced professionals who pass side 2 Kododowa Government Hospital.
Yeah,
the medical director in charge is a product of Akodo School. Dr. Brightson. Yewun was side 2. Yewun was side 2. Ni brother a truck driver. Oko public school. Na me ko twilase. We year mate 82. But I left 81 to secondary school. Ni onu nya. Side 2 has produced a medical doctor. As I produce Miami student that me chira na de atukwe a pharmacist from KN University. E chira say opportunity that President Akufo-Addo and buy and free SHS, there are a lot of people in the Zangos who didn't have that opportunity. I beg extend you more. And it's a free SHS an opportunity at your ma awufua almost one ma besa go school. Sometimes the environment itself makes it impossible. But when your president be our vision, said the human capital development of your country, and you did that nakumaswa. Jesus Christ, I will always give President Akufo-Addo that thumbs up for that drive, that enthusiasm, that capacity. Akukuduna wenya say I need to develop the human base of my citizenry, and then when you're quite in school, Yami Aduma, they will assess those who go to invest in this year. They will assess loans. When you Juma, they will try to I will just say,
what me see school or constituency.
I lobbied for Get Fund and education. Who caught them on my secondary Tenka school? Na free SHS in buy no only a boarding facility. And he na kenu premix for no development level is never no. No the see boys dormitory. Okay. In the NDC time. But they couldn't finish. And the headmistress, Madame Philo Michel. And look, an honorable, young girls' dormitory. Quickly! I was saying, Miss Senior, Honorable Napo. I'm the senior, Mr. Me Yamwa, Wami. Was it Quatrobra? And no minutes so, and I'm to call Get Fund. And then we'll call her. You see, modern girls' dormitory. And I give the credit to President Akufo-Addo. Because who are power? What me and Nanti and lobby made you maybe at me. And to me, yeah, some facility be. Yenya Kwanso na Methodist School. JHS. Let me see 6-unit classroom block. Meant me we and I'm free. But I'll pursue it, I'll follow it up. I'm a business contractor. So the Zigabia came over baby. Our project fund. I mean, Sirano, the Yensis Adiano, I remember those days in opposition. Best teachers in Tema Metropolis. Tema East, Minya, about 6 or more teachers who had awards with our laptops. A chair man teacher for Nina. We use a computer, no laptop, no, and find prepare a lesson notes. Nadia, we did our best together with President Akufo-Addo to make sure we bring some relief into our people. And the Meka said, "You dear, ya Bobby, ya Bobby pa, ya Bobby baby." Me say, me car. One year that time now with the mommy crano and so. But Meka say, "Adom privilege for me to serve the people of Tema East. Seriously, it's a privilege, and I love politics. My wife will tell you, hey, was my politics? I love politics. I hate to see people in pain. Say yes, it's Obi watching. I'll give it out.
Do you have any regrets?
Oh, me and Nipa, I'm a human. Nah, where the faults are, we'll pick the pieces together. So that they can kind of share. We'll pick the pieces together and make sure we'll make the necessary corrections.
We realize this. You were losing. It was all gone.
No.
How was it like?
I asked God why. Because all the intelligence reports, party research, nothing pointed to Seven Lusu Tema East constituency. But until I was stuck with the reality, I asked God why. I was hurt.
You wept.
I was hurt.
You wept.
Yes, I wept too. In my corner. Because people will come, they will console you. A lot of people, Befie and they will kasa, but they will go. You are left between you and your God.
Yeah.
And yes, I wept to a point. But within days, I encouraged myself. I said, look, it's gone. Wherever those wrongs are, go back and start putting them together. And we're able to put us. And I have a very fantastic leadership. Let me take this opportunity. I have a wonderful relationship with my constituency leadership. And very fantastic and supportive. And wherever so can kind of wrongs to buy for that fight, you know. And I'll continue to exhibit that leadership to my people. I'll continue to serve them with every humility and the fear of God. Senior, who can go back and unless the seat.
At the point, who feel betrayed on?
Betrayal? Say, Nipa dear, who named the betrayal? Who named the betrayal? For now, it is gone. Let us not apportion blames. Let us not recriminate people wrongfully. Let's sit down, look at what has happened, make amends, unite our ranks, and go back and take the seat back. And for me, that is what I'm looking at.
At the end of my year, happy.
Oh, Ceciano. Me program at UPSA. I'm doing my second master's under corporate governance. Maybe hopefully by July. Maybe. I hardly go out. I'm not a freak. I'm always in my corner. I watch films. I share detective films. I read I read a lot of books. Just to enrich my knowledge. And Makase Adiana, I'll pursue. With your music, kakra, we share movies, kakra, kind books. Once ever you step out, look at town, people, even me with your crown, education, placement, people with concerns and worries, they come to you. My happiest times is when I solve problems. You a problem, one was solved the amano. I feel happy. I feel happy to look at
Jim FM.
In a day, I'm comforted to send a visit with you.
Oh, for now, Swati.
For now, Swati.
Baza.
But time away, MP. No.
Hey, look, Joe. Oh, I mean to be kind.
Oh, sorry, Anna Pa.
Jesus Christ. Me, Kai say. Me, do want to book at the Japan. I walk Kent City. Now, me, the HR manager. And one time, we invited me, and then if you come to 12, and a baby, I invited me, and I'm a coffee. Now, you're so light. If you no get nano. The met back as a line now, Nipa, a sliding to the other side of the road. And the baby other has been the ritual.
Wow.
And your pee your home cofono. I'm saying, ready me. I'm saying, Titus. when I come on baby every day. I said you scan prano says Shamin Pazia, me answer. But on yam rena daje etiom. And you know Ken for his benevolence.
Yeah.
But yet, so it reminded me when I became a member of parliament. And I said, I'm not booking the Japan. I did be a son me. Yes, son lie. Sikan will be new crowd was so baby. Bush and be no one. Now we are cause no problems. But they say they are mini power there. A switcher. A switcher, very drastic. Once a while.
No, maybe Abba.
For whole, it is just to check up on me. In fact, a gentleman came to me. I was sad. I had no means. Means, you know. Say, if I have that day, I would have given the money. Let me win answer. And the uncle Ichirina, or would uncle Pipina Mufankoshano. Nature be a year by I can reimburse him. But one baby. And the because of visitation in the Swati. Very, very drastic.
Campaign a drain you pound.
Hey. Interesting. Can we look at this double stuff?
Time as when the amount you and your constituency. That's why
it's a big platform for me.
That's why I'm asking you.
Grateful.
But it drain you.
Seriously, it drained me. Campaign is it takes a lot of time and money and all that. It's a huge, and I mean why reason.
Or family, how do they feel?
Of course, they will not feel happy. They will feel bad because it's a privilege to have a father who is an MP, a deputy minister, and unfortunately he loses his seat. It's a worry, but I keep sacking them. The catcher was a look. Politics it's up and down. So let us put ourselves together. I'll work hard and make sure I get back my seat and go back to Parliament. I've not finished my business in Parliament. Because Parliament, I was so lucky to be in 2013, be a deputy ranking member for trade industry and tourism. And I'm in appointment committee also. Then another committee, office of members holding office of profits. I'm also. But I was very key about trade and industry, any appointment committee. You could see me on the appointment committee, 20 ministers there. And then under Professor Jambafo. And he gave me all the latitudes, training me, telling me how we should do and all the things. Then in 2017, is somebody
Jim FM
of the trade industry and tourism committee of Parliament. And Sana, President Kajam is a member of Buano as the deputy minister. So you have to leave the chairmanship for the trade industry committee and all that. So Parliament has taught me a lot of lessons. In the House, I had a wonderful relationship with NDC. Very, very wonderful relationship. The leadership, the members, I have no problem with anybody.
And you are pretty sure you are coming back.
Sure, by the grace.
Honorable Titles Glover, we wish you well.
Thank you so much, Asempa.
Yamene.
Now, let me tell you, last 2 weeks ago, we call a coupon of touch on the teachers training.
Yeah.
So entertainment
Entertainment.
Wow,
PTC. As a DP at PTC. Yeah. In those days, I say, oh, are they?
Now, when you say the other woman?
Oh, yes. Oh, meaning pa. Meaning pass with the other woman. Yeah.
Who ye, Juma? Don't look at your shoulder. Mititema, as an Accra boy. April 2019. And a Sankana, Bernard Mona.
Yeah.
Ni mayani. And man, let us on from Bremi.
Really?
The BSNO to be installed the chief, the development chief. Now, Mr. Bernard, where is this coming from? Was the titles? It's a mystery to me. I don't know what really touched my chief's heart. But because 2018, I call Laura. Honorable Abai Fakabo.
Okay, yes.
I'm a festival.
Yeah.
Many Dr. Koboy, enemy executives, DB. And you do one, and I'm a friend Bernard. Mr. Bernard, you've been marketing your town Sankana on the media. Today, I mean, wow, I want to see Sankana.
Yeah.
What's the titles? I will take you there. Now you want to fear Sana, we met. Boys.
Yeah.
And I did you know the call the chronoso. Nice town. And I'm going to cheer on, I saw.
That was all.
That was 2018. 2019. And I better let the brother say, oh, you know, we see Siambong na, the king of the caves. Sabrina, slave, if there is a warrior, so chairman for no money, communal tongue. So, omu caves. I was Sankana Hono, and he bought Obi two, and I see two a giant at one. They carve this person into the cave. Whilst they are nursing your injury, spiritually they are building you up, fortifying you to go back and fight and protect your people. And there was a chief amongst them, and that was the title they gave me, Siambona.
Wow.
Then, in 2019, in fact, in 2017, April, just after my swearing by the president, and Mampong traditional area, extra letter mommy, in the big court traditional council, said they wanted to make me one of their sons. Mampong Kwapim.
When I fee.
Me free ho. Set the question free ho.
Jim FM.
Omo donipa Kwapim for omo donipa. Omo penny papa. Menkasa other tribes from penny papa, but theirs is exceptional. After adoption, then September 2019, I was installed as Sunkahini, Nano Twansa, the first of Mbankwapin traditional area. As Sunkahini, and this is Asempa.
Jim FM.
I was multimedia. Why a lot of work I will be and I would have Shasu, Nasum, Nayajuman, and Merpabida Wenima. At the time I went in that was no, a bit picture of Musi to the glory of God and your family. For me, I believe in service.
It is well.
I give my all.
It is well.
To serve the people of this country.
It is well.
Thank you very much.
After you, Miss Young, Midasipa, Sham, Yamene.